Good morning, gang. What it do, everybody? Y'all hear me good? What it do? Oh, this might be loud. Wrong channel. Fuck ads, bro. What it do, Michael? What it do, Icy? Eli? My boy Paras? How you doing, Paras? Paras, what's the chance that the account I got you is still alive? What are the chances? You tell me the odds. Alrighty. That was the bet, right? What else did I want to do? Oh, I wanted to open up a new tab. It's about to be 30 minutes till London Open. That is good. That is good. All right, let's gonna go to back to bullish lifestyle on this account. Let's go to bullish lifestyle. Music is on the left. Turn off the echo. We haven't been here for in a minute. Feels like I haven't been live streaming in a while, boys. I'm excited. I'm trying to catch a dub. I need to catch a dub. Alright, my phone's right there. Fuck! Forgot to fill up my water. Whatever. No water for me. Celsius only. What it do, Marios? Yes, sir. We back. Boys, are we gonna fucking melt tonight? I know I'm Mr. Bullish Lifestyle, but this looks kind of melty today, boys. So like, we're holding this level of support that we've been at for a minute, right? But we're making lower levels of like resistance. Like our resistance are getting lower and lower, and like the price looks like it's like compacting, getting ready to like accumulate here, accumulate, and then just boom, just give an explosion. Maybe even it's a fake out, but I feel like this level right here, being the 182, let's say 182 500s, 182 600s, I feel like those levels need to get hit today, boys. I still haven't looked at much of the chart, and also there's not a lot of price action, so my opinion could change. I see perfectly why this could be a sniper entry for longs. It's my style of trading, though. I've taken this trade many times, and it hasn't hit enough times for me to tell you that this is a good setup. I think the momentum to the downside right now is pretty strong. Wick rejection, we're beneath the 50. Yes, we have a level right here that's about to be rejection, and we could like maybe start targeting this 50, but coming in with like all these lower levels, knowing that this probably needs to get hit pretty soon, I don't feel like taking a buy right now. I'd rather be a little bit patient. Another day, another dollar. Yes, sir. That is, ow, my back. Ooh. I need to go to a chiropractor, bro. I just like cracked the shit out of my back. Y'all hear me good though? Audio sounds crisp, or at least decent. Audio is clean. All right, I love it. Well, realistically, if I wanted to take an early trade, right now we're in a danger zone. I explain this all the time that when we're in between SMA levels, like for example, we have our 8 beneath price and we have our 50 above it, you know, so like that's like price being within a range. And I know it's not on every time frame, but for example, look at this 1 hour. This 1 hour, we're clearly making higher levels of support respecting this 8 saying we need to go long, but then we have our 50 SMA plus all these higher lows being formed, higher low, higher low, higher low. So, and then so like we're bouncing off here, but we're bouncing off here. It's scary. It's a scary place to trade. We're better off being patient. Thoughts on gold? Let's look at gold real quick. Looking at, wait, somebody asked for gold, please. All right, gold. Looking at the daily on gold. We're coming off of very strong bullish price action. I would actually love for gold to keep on retracing, and then man, for this daily to finish bullish. 1 bullish, 2 bullish. I guess this was considered bullish. So we had 3 bullish soldiers. Realistically, like this is the same price action that I'm looking at on gold. Look at the daily candlesticks over here. It's just bullish candlesticks. So you're statistically wise, if you have a bullish candlestick, the next candlestick is a higher chance of being a bullish candlestick. Like it copies its previous candlestick. There's a higher chance it's going to copy the previous candlestick. So I would not be surprised if gold just starts fucking rallying out of nowhere. Now, it also looks like an inverted head and shoulders. Look at it this way. Doesn't need to be picture perfect, but it's there. It's valid. Euro USD. Ooh, euro. Looking at 15-minute on Euro USD, I see that we are now beneath the SMAs, which is a scary thing. You're either taking sniper sells right now because that's the trade, like because sniper sells is the better entry right now than taking buys, right? Now, price does look like it might go bullish and start reaching these resistance again, but we are beneath the 50 SMA and price is rising. 30-minute. Damn, this is tricky. Is that we're coming off a very strong bearish price action. Like this melt out, and this is like the impulse correction. I wouldn't be surprised if these levels get tested again at one point. Now, I know that price doesn't ride too far on Euro USD, so realistically, I have no idea. I don't trade it enough to tell you a pretty smart opinion on what I think is going to happen. Now, what I do know is that I wouldn't take an impulse buy right now. That's not the way to do it. You don't really want to impulsively buy on something while it's rising. All right, my bad for the silence, boys. Wait, what the fuck is this? Oh, I didn't even notice. All right, what do I think? Gold will go sell. All right, let's look at GJ again. I think that we're gonna be able to catch this next trade pretty early, boys. I'm not really down to be watching price along too long. I'm ready to actually catch a trade and get out of here and catch the dub and keep it moving. And up to the moment, that's a sell bias, boys. I'm actually a little bit on the sell bias. What about you guys? One's in the chat for buys, two's in the chat for sells. One's in the chat for bulls. Damn, GJ. Fucking sniper entry for whoever actually hopped into that. They already should be up around like, price isn't even moving that much. Like 8-9 pips. We're in between these two SMAs, which is a very dangerous place to be, boys. I emphasize on that. Alright, so being patient is not a bad thing here. Definitely a very risky point to be in. we close above 4-hour resistance, should we take a nice buy? Closing above 4-hour resistance shouldn't trigger us into the buy, but definitely should give us confirmations that we probably could keep on reaching higher levels, being the top of these wicks. I 100% agree in that. That's valid. Yes, very valid. Especially with us being above this SMA right now. I mean, this was a very strong downwards movement, and we completely recovered it. So therefore, I'm actually completely now not trying to take sells. Obviously, I'm not trying to take buys either, due to the fact that price already left, right? Taking a buy right now would give us a stop loss that would be enormous, and price would have a higher chance of retracing, so we'd automatically be putting ourselves into drawdown. Buys instantly right now are not the way to go. Wow, price is going, boys. CAD JPY. Wow, the yen is fucking weak. Yo, Canada's such a shitty ass fucking place. Jesus Christ. Wow, look at this move we set the other day. Yeah, I mean, price is rallying. There's not really much to look at there. What it do, Saxy? How's everything, brother? Oh fuck, that was awesome. I think I remember what you were telling me. You were like, yo, I'm down 3%, what should I do? And I was like, I mean, I remember my advice was somewhere around the lines of like, bro, just keep on the same fucking approach. I know, don't be scared, just keep on your fucking taking the same trades just because they didn't hit the last. That's fucking awesome, brother. Those moments feel fucking awesome. Feels great. Attack it the same way. Attack it the same way. You know, just make sure you manage risk. I don't know, man. I mean, I was here, you were down, I disappeared, and you're up. So maybe just keep on following and doing your own thing. You know? Maybe you should leave the live stream. Maybe I'm bad luck for you, brother. But I'm glad to hear your account's back. And if you could make 4% like that in the time frame that you did, then just be patient. Don't rush trades, and just think about that. You could easily, you know, gain percentage whenever you want. Just wait for the correct setups before you do it. You know, don't hop into a trade. Don't take a trade. Like for example, right now it looks like a beautiful sell entry. Does that, you know, I'm not gonna feel triggered into getting into a trade just because I feel like price is gonna go somewhere. Like you wanna just have extra confirmations over and over again. Like get warmed up to the market. You know, feel it out. I don't know. Just be patient with your entries. Don't be in a trade just to be in a trade. You know, take trades that you recognize the outcome of. If you're iffy about it, if you see why it could go up and it could go down at the same time, then just stay away from it. Cash is a position, boys. Cash is a strong position. USD CAD, in my opinion. USD CAD. USD. Whoa. Oh wait, yeah, the Canadian. Oh whoa. So maybe it's not that the yen is weak. I think it's the Canadian dollar. Man, the Canadian dollar is pumping right now. There has to be something going on, like news-wise or economically, like economy-wise. But the Canadian dollar is pumping. And look, now I see at 8:30 we have CPI for the. So look. Canadian dollar is pumping, CPI is coming. I feel like that it's going to pump. By the time CPI hits, it's going to keep on pumping, and then I don't know where it's going to dump or some shit. But definitely there's something up with CAD, because CAD is very strong right now. And we're seeing that across the board, boys. So, I don't know. Don't snipe buys. Might retrace a little bit, then continue down to the downside. I wouldn't touch it. Damn, GJ. Damn, GJ. Down channel, side channel. We better start an up channel, boys. We're just gonna have to go with the same bullish lifestyle style trades. Let's look at the monthly. Looking at the monthly, we are respecting lows. If we were to flip bullish, that'd be fucking great. High key. Let's just fucking take some longs, boys. Let's see. Whoa, that's a lot of pips. Whoa, on the daily, it's not the way to go. Even though the candlestick looks small as fuck. All right, look at the 4 hour. 4 hour. If we were to take a 30 pip trade. Damn, dude. If anything, a 30 pips to the downside looks like it's a good sell. It could high key still be a sell, boys. GJ jumping around. Yeah, GJ is just jumping around right now. What it do, Tamilius? Don't forget to drop a like, boys. Don't fucking forget to drop a fucking like. Love it. Love hearing that. I'm back. I'm back. And I'm fucking so motivated to just fucking slaughter the charts, boys. So motivated to slaughter the charts. And if you don't want to be in the trade, you can get the fuck out. Remember that one, Tomelius. Duncan, send the link of the stream in Discord. Okay. Let's open up the Discord. Of course my Discord opens fast, boy. I got a laptop that runs like a fucking souped up PC. Ugh. I'm so happy to be back. Wow, boys. I missed the fucking streaming. I missed it. Anything happened with my Forex funds, boys? What is the update with that? Is there any update? Nothing ever happened? They're definitely gone if nothing ever happened. They're definitely dunzos. Oh! Where are my live accounts? Where's my payouts, bro? I feel scammed. Did he still got an Instagram at least? This is your last post? I don't even want to see the comments on this. No comments allowed, I bet. Oh, boys. They are so fucked. Boy, that guy better go to jail. Oh my god, there's no way. Who else was a part of the robbery and the scammery? Look at here, I'm trying to open up my fucking $100,000 accounts that I got. I got $200,000. Can't even touch that shit. That is so fucked. That's crazy. That is wild. I am impressed. I fucking hate MT4, boys. Goddamn, fucking trading these accounts that people be giving me on MT4 is a fucking bitch. Looks so ugly. It like scares me to take a trade while I look at it. I have to fucking look at like trading view and shit before I take a trade. Because like just looking at the MT4 chart just disgusts me. Can't believe I used to like it, actually. I used to fucking hate MT5. Crazy how fast feelings change. All right, right now we're seeing GJ have a strong impulse, right? We're 15 minutes till London opens. New 15-minute candlestick just barely opened up, and it opened up with a lot of momentum, right? Barely anything of a down wick. Can't even put a trailing stop. Boy, who the hell? I'm just kidding. I was about to say who the hell trails their stop losses. Yeah, but who the fuck trails their stop losses? I'm messing around, brother. Yeah, I'm messing around. I probably should try trailing some stop losses and testing out the waters of that. I'm not gonna cap. I've never done it. I see why the strategy could work. There's many occasions in which it could work. I don't know. Fucking trading GJ's a bitch. Shit bounces too much. Trail stop loss. Shit's bound to get hit within the first fucking 20 minutes. Unless I trail a 30 pip stop loss, that would be lit. Oh my god, imagine trailing a 30 pip stop loss. Do you think my trades would be fucking savage? I feel like I could like swing positions for like a week. That'd be lit. Why the fuck is weird ass music being put? Like, that's not my fucking playlist. I'm bad about that, boys. This is more like my playlist, but this is still... I need to... Alright, GJ is now even in a... I mean, 4 hour is... We can start using this 50 SMA as targets if you're in a long, right? Realistically, and... that's kind of like what people probably did on the 1 hour time frame. Wow, what a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful trade for whoever actually caught that long. I mean, it had to come straight off of... I mean, this wick rejection scared the shit out of me, right? Price retraced. I opened up stream and we were down here. I understood why it could be long, but looking at the higher time frame, seeing how we have made lower levels of resistance continuously, and we have been just accumulating price here. I still, you know, have a feeling that price could literally accumulate, you know, and then just explode to the downside and then maybe go up, you know, maybe break this low and fake out everything. But yeah, right now we're seeing a little bit of a bullish push. What it do, YB? My boy Prod YB. Prod YB, where you from again? Philly? Oh. UK, London. Oh, what the fuck? Who's from Philly then? I think that's filthy. Oof, I'm so dizzy right now. Let's look at gold again. Is gold the one that's doing a little fucking reversal wedge and is gonna pop to the upside? What do you guys think, boys? You guys bullish on gold or bearish on gold? One's in the chat for bulls, two's in the chat for bears. I don't know what you guys are thinking on gold. My ass has no fucking idea. High key, I'd probably just take a long due to the fact that the 2 hour time frame is beneath this 8, and then we should just trade right above it again. You know, do some little fake out, make out type shit. A little fake out, make out never hurts. Fake out, make outs. Get the... Alright, we got sells and buys and buys. Fuck you mean? Bearish. Just putting thick lots on gold buys. Man, if gold wasn't buying already, like look at the 1 minute. Wow, hasn't really gone anywhere. I've never heard anybody say that either. Thick lots is crazy. No way, GG's just gonna go like that. I'm so what, dude? Why do I feel like every time I hop on, shit just fucking decides to go crazy? Like, what the fuck is that? I definitely don't need your help, Paras. Not today. Not today. Today we need I'm excited. I'm so excited, man. I haven't been on the stream. I haven't been on the charts for a while. I've been on the charts. I haven't been streaming for a while. I'm always looking at the charts. How's it going with Miguel, boys? How did Miguel's sessions go with you guys? you're currently in a GJ buy, that means this shit's probably gonna sell. There's no way that you got in at fucking 866. My ass. 866. You telling me you sniped the shit out of it? And now you saying something? For real? Miguel's been slaughtering it? Miguel's a cheat code? That's the... How's Miguel been doing? High key, how's Miguel been doing? What's the... Jesus Christ. Another one. Yeah, Miguel's just slaughtering here. Damn, boys. Y'all been killing it with Miguel or what? Is it just Prod YB? Who else? Paras. How's Miguel been doing? You're selling GJ right now? I love it. That might be the fucking sniper entry. And if you actually caught the fucking sell right now and things actually go down, you could fucking make $1 million on that account. Miguel's killing it. Ooh. It's always good to hear. Ow, my neck. Ow. What it do, Slick? All right, 8 minutes to London Open, boys. 8 minutes to London Open. Volatility is not too high. It's not too low. I mean, it's decent. You know, it could be better. It's pretty shitty. Yeah, 20 pips. Yeah, no, it's pretty shitty. I don't know. New hourly candlestick is going to tell us a lot, especially as we're closing at resistance on the hourly candlestick chart. And make sure you guys are opening or paying attention to every candlestick opening and closing. That's like literally the most important thing you could be focused on when it comes to entries and exits. You know, just when the candlestick is actually going to close. 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minute, 15 minute, all of those. Every single one you have to be paying attention to. Every candlestick closure. Right now, gold is going down. So whoever said gold sells was probably on the correct side of the... Look at that. Gold's still selling. Wow. Interesting. Gold is now hitting the 50 SMA. Yeah, no, I'm terrified to touch gold. Fuck that. Fuck that. Fuck you mean? You're gonna wanna no money, no. What it do, Daniel? It's been a minute. Morning, bro. Hope you're good, man. You have given me so much information. Keep it up. Godspeed. I need to slow down a lot of the time. I fucking know it. I'm working on it. What it do, Rain? Marco, thanks for all the fucking love and support, brother. Rain, how's everything, Rain? How's the sessions been going with Miguel, boys? I've heard it from YB. YB said that Miguel's been killing it. Para said Miguel's been killing it. I want to know who else has been fucking winning with Miguel. You guys actually been taking his trades? Or you guys just watch him kill it? I'm high key about to take his trades, bro. My dog. My dog. Oof. All right. GJ's getting a little bit of retracement. 255. Man, whoever did this guy. Oof. Dude, the sells look good. One's in the chat for buys on GJ. Two's in the chat for sells. What do you guys think? I think, man. Well, I'm scared to take the sell, right? I'm also scared to take the buy. I'm more sell than buys. Resistance, 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 resistance. We have not been able to break structure. We're going to the downside. Price is accumulating itself, holding this support. I think we're going to keep on accumulating, and then I don't know where I have a pop to the downside. Maybe break this support and then maybe go back up. But right now, we have not been able to break resistance. and we are coming down aggressively right now. Maybe this is the sniper buy, but man, just the fact that market structure on the higher time frames shows us that we're still respecting resistance. We're going to be patient. I'm going to be patient. You guys don't need to be patient with me. I am glad to fucking hear and see what happens with your guys' trades. I know that ow, my neck hurts when I look to the left. Ow, what the hell is that? Just fucking turn my chair. I really got time for pain. All right, how much you win in Vegas? Ooh, not much. Actually, like fuck, break even. I'll say break even, bro. How much did I win in Vegas? Basically, if you're gonna count how much money I spent and then how much money I fucking won in the casino, I definitely lost. Ow, my neck. Dude, Vegas is expensive. Every time I go out and eat, it was like $200 to $300, and I would eat 3 times a day. So every day was like more than $1,000 being spent. And that was just on food. So then it just comes down to like, oh my god, just ridiculous amounts of money. Ow. So because I spent ridiculous amounts of money, I didn't walk out with what I wanted to walk out with. I've been looking at watches, and I'm gonna buy myself a fucking watch. I've been looking at different watches, and I'm like, you know what? Because I spent so much fucking money, and I could have had my own fucking watch. I got greedy, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna fucking take out some money from my savings. I'm gonna buy myself a watch. Now, for the whole day, for like the last 6 hours, I've been looking at different watches and different. You guys could high key help me right now and help me. I could show you. I'll show you guys after when we're a little bit less distracted. My neck hurts. Oh. I can show you guys the watches I was looking at, and I was actually about to buy one when I was over there, and they didn't have the exact model that I wanted, and I fucking didn't want. When it comes to watches, you can't really buy watches that you like feel iffy about. You need to absolutely love it, or you don't get it. Can't afford an AP, bruh. Don't do that. Ow, what's my budget? Ow, really depends on the piece. It's like, I wanted to go for something 5 to 10,000. If it has to be 12, 13, it really just depends. I don't really want to go too big. Ow. Kind of just trying to match what I spent. Make myself feel better. Alright, I'm wondering if this price is going to hold right now. 2 minutes till London Open. Hourly candlestick is closing beneath this resistance. We've had wick rejections to the upside just as well as man, we're in between a range where this Rolly Daytona. Woo! A little Rolly Daytona. No. I actually like the day dates. I'm a fan of the day dates. I've been looking at a lot of day dates. Oof, I want to show you. Don't make me start pulling out the watches, boys, because I've been watching watches for the last 6-7 hours. If you include yesterday, I've been watching watches like, dude, just non-stop. Non-stop. Is that I like classic watches, boys. Like I'm not really into like this whole fucking. I don't want to get no fucking iced out watch. I want to get something that's like that has like value, value, like a historic value as well. So there's certain day dates out there that you just fucking look at them and they just look so fucking classic and beautiful. Pull up on Johnny Dang. Oof. Yeah, I'm talking about something like this, boys. Even though I don't like the dial on this one, I actually want a silver dial. I'd love it to be like a little silver dial, some date just. Oof. But even though this is a 36mm, I kind of want something with a 44. This is only the photo I found up to the moment of like something similar to what I'm looking at. For example, this is the background I kind of want on it. Right, this is white gold plated, but this is on 36mm. 36mm is like almost a fucking. I mean, it's classic. It's not a girl watch, but I don't know. My wrist is a little bit too big for a little 36mm. I want a big boy watch. Oof. Is this the meteoric dial? Oh no, I don't like that one either. But this one's like a very like classic-y watch, you know. It's just like it reminds you of the old days, boys. It reminds you of the old days. Takes you back to like when, you know. I mean, these watches it is an old watch. Look, there you go, something like this. Oof, beautiful, 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 beautiful. This one right here, date a 40 meteoroid dial. Meteoroid dial is because Rolex actually got a fucking meteoroid. They got the meteoroid and they cut it up into a whole bunch of pieces. And if you see this dial, it actually is the background is the dial is the background of the watch. Basically, it's made out of a meteoroid, boys. This right here, this is what I'm looking for. Oof, oof, I fucking love it. But this is one of the new day dates, so this one goes for a fucking 100,000, which is out of the price range right now. 40 millimeter. Oof, man, this is such a beautiful watch. But this is what I'm going for, boys. I want to look. What is this? What's up with these little lines? I don't know about that. All right, back to the charts. Yeah, so you guys felt what I was looking for, you know. Now there's a different option I could go for as well, but I'll show you guys later. I want to catch a trade before everybody starts getting mad. Let's put some music on. You ever use the 21 SMA? I actually used to use. I mean, you can use the 8 or the 21, right? Whichever one you feel better with the confluence, and then 50 is pretty standard. But you could also include the 200. You should try out the 8, 21, 200, or 8, 50, or 21, 50, 200. Try that one, 21, 50, 200. That's a good combination. A little bully chain, a little compress. Hello, compress for life chain. Oof, this level of support is this level of resistance is being held. 8, 21, and 50. That is great. 8, 21, and 50 as well. Good combo. I am very unsure about whether I think GJ is going to go up or not, man. Anybody in any trades right now? I just use 8 and 50 similar to how you do, but 21. Yeah, I mean, I'd use the 8. If you're using the 21, just use it the same way you would use the 8, right? It's like the one that price should ride along, but just because it breaks it doesn't mean it's like a given that it's going to go. You could go above it and beneath it, but the 50 is a must, and then the 200 is for like overbought and oversold. No indicator is best for trading. It's a very relative thing to say. If no indicator is best for your trading, then make sure you don't use any indicators and keep going. If one indicator is the best for your trading, you do it. If 2 indicators is the best for your trading, if you're using 3 to 4 indicators, then they're probably like, I have no idea. You know, just whatever works for you, boys. If it makes money, it makes sense. That's what Daniel Savage has been saying. If it makes money, if it makes sense. If it makes money, it makes sense. Why? Because of his little indicator. Who's checked out his indicator? Yo, what it do? What it do, Sahil? I'm excited, boys. Back to the fucking streams. London Open has come. Volatility has not. So what does that mean? Is this hourly going to be slow and then the next hourly is going to be a big pump? Are we going to come back down into the range and just fucking have a melt out? Let's look at the monthly chart. Monthly chart kind of looks like it is already bearish, right? We're already seeing a little bit of a wick rejection, but we're coming from having bigger wick rejections to the downside. So I wouldn't be surprised if this flips bullish and then keeps on rallying. Like I've said, boys, GJ is a bullish pair. It's been fucking flying. It's going to keep on flying. Even if we fucking retrace all the way down to the 175s, we're still fucking bullish. You feel me? So you have higher probability chances of taking buys and winning than sells. Does that mean just take buys always blindly? No. I'm not trying to say that. What I am trying to say is that, we got to be very careful with what we do. Anything could still happen. This daily time, now I'm looking at the daily. Yeah, man, just it's a very confusing thing coming off of wick rejections right here. Wick, and then I know we're having wick. So it's like, damn, bro, like what you want? Which way are you trying to go? No volatility until tomorrow FOMC meeting. We should have man, I hope you're not right, Bleach. I really hope you're not white. Is there any news today? We have CAD news. CAD news is coming up around 8 o'clock, but CAD has been pumping already. If you guys look at all the CAD pairs, CAD has been going. Good morning from Cairo. Good morning, Ehab. How are you, my brother? The only thing I know how to say in Egyptian is Talahem. Somakele, omak. Omak, somakele. That's fucking Arabic for you boys. Nothing nice though. I wish I could say something nice. I just don't know anything nice. So I'll just cuss you out. Habibi, there you go. my Egyptian friend that taught me Egyptian or whatever the fuck you fucking, his dog is like fucking like 12, 13 years old, and he doesn't pay attention if you talk to him in English, and if he doesn't pay attention if you talk to him in Spanish either. And I lived in South America at the moment. The only way the motherfucking dog would listen to you is if you talk to him in Arabic. So the guy, my motherfucking friend, would look at the dog and be like, "Talam," and then the dog would fucking finally get the fuck off the couch and like run to his fucking like little cage or something. And I was like, "Damn, bro, like what the fuck?" Like you tell him, "Go, get, move, go, bete," nothing, and then I know where he say "Talam." You didn't got a point, and the dog right away knew where the fuck to go. He'd go like a machine. I was like, "Damn, bro." High key Arabic cues be fucking sending this dog like it was a machine. What it do, Lisa? You don't hear me? Basha. Alright, well, GJ is coming down, boys. Alright, love how we have been patient. Patient has paid off because, man, I got tempted to take wanting to take buys because I felt like it was going to keep on wrapping, but, man, just it's still one of those unset moments. We are in between the SMAs, which at the beginning of the stream I said is not where you want to be trading. It's like being in the middle of a range, and it's a range within a range, which makes it even worse. You could take a trade, you could get lucky. Now, is it a high statistical trade? You might feel like it is, but no, it's not. Believe it or not, you can take buys and you can take sells. They could both hit. Why? Because both biases could work. Really just depends on the execution. So if you're not doing the correct execution and you want to be patient because you're not going to take multiple trades, you're better off not fucking putting yourself in a trade where it's like a 60 to 70% chance. You want to be in trades that are 75 to 80% chances of getting hit. My weed sucks, bro. How was your blunt? I haven't even hit my blunt. I am actually about to turn it off because I think, dude, oof, this is like the entry where I want to fucking take longs, right? But these are the entries where you get clapped quick as fuck if you're not patient. Imagine we're to snipe longs right here. 30 pip stop loss. How would this go? Let me look how a little 30 pip stop loss would look here, boys. A little 30. Where the fuck is the 101? Right here. All right, a 101 right here. All right, I think we're taking this trade, boys. Par, send it to me. Actually, don't execute yet, boys. I haven't executed. That's what I'm saying. Send it to me. Now my mind is just trying to tell me, do you want to put yourself into any chance of drawdown? No FOMO. Wait for the setup. You see the drawdown's coming. All right, boys. We'll just be patient. We'll just be patient. We'll step apart. We'll step apart. Send it, Para, so I can just adjust from there. 30-minute shows downtrend, brother. I see why 30-minute shows downtrend perfectly. Now, us having low volatility in this session and prices rising up this way, with no volatility, I feel like we're going to keep on rising. Volatility comes into this chart. These levels of support that we've been forming are going to get broken. So me seeing that volatility is dying down, which we're not in the trade yet. Me seeing that volatility has not been like rising, kind of just makes me think that, man, the chance that we're going to be able to just melt through all these levels of support is going to be pretty hard, right? So right now I'm thinking, all right, low volatility. We're not going to break through a whole bunch of levels. Might as well just keep on following the smaller time frame trend that's saying, hey, we're going to form higher levels of support and we're going to keep on going long without even giving higher chances for retracements. Now, we could be patient, let this trade go, which is probably what we're going to do, but that is my thought process on why I'm not taking sells, due to the fact that I do not see enough volatility for prices to just melt through all these levels of support. Now, I don't want to take this execution, and I spoke it out loud saying the fact that this is a chance that this goes into drawdown. That's why the stop loss is a 30 pip stop loss. 30 pip stop losses when you guys take trades with me, when I have a 30 pip stop loss, is due to the fact that I expect drawdown. Now, if I didn't expect drawdown, it'd be around like a 20 pip to stop loss, maybe even a 15 pip stop loss. With anything above 25 pips, because I definitely expect somewhat drawdown that I'm not scared of, but drawdown that definitely a lot of people could fuck them, better traders understand how to not put themselves in early or in drawdown, especially early in the trade. It helps you, the better the entry, the better the sniper entry, the better the trade seems, the more you have a chance of managing your trade. So that I agree, yes, it's better to fucking look for entries that don't have a lot of drawdown. I totally agree with you guys on that one. But now a lot of the time also when you understand price action and you just trust that your stop loss is valid and you really want to catch a higher time frame move, the set and forget method also works. And the set and forget method, you don't really have to be too paying attention to how much drawdown you catch. No, we are not in. We are not in. I'll make it a little. Not in this trade. I'm going to keep this here though to show us what would happen if we were in this trade. We're not in this trade. Indians buying hella gold today. Woo! I am so happy to be back with you guys, boys. Ugh. Man, who caught the sniper? Who caught the sniper cell? I know there was somebody who I was talking to back and forth with like 20 minutes ago that they were like, hey, we're in the cell. It is pumping. The cell is pumping. Man, I'll point it out again. What am I looking at? Man, just look at the fact that the 4-hour time frame is showing lower levels of resistance being formed and respected. And right now, we are respecting the shit out of that 8 SMA. I am pretty now, but realistically, I'm pretty sold on sells. Not too good to be jumping around on biases though, so I'm gonna be patient just because, man, this could also just flip long. It's just one of those days. Usually with the shittiest of price action, waiting for second half of the week. Man, it is pretty shitty price action when it just shows you both ways could happen. Especially when, like, look at this, like this, not looking at anything. 15-minute time frame, not looking at anything. This is a down channel, side channel, supposed to be forming an up channel right now. Like this should be this type of trade right here, right? So you can put a stop loss right here, put a take profit right here. Now, you zoom out, and you start seeing that this is just pretty scary to be taking a trade like that. Like at this point, statistically, you're completely against trend, and resistance is not being, break a structure. You just randomly expecting to break a structure just because. It's a pretty wild trade. Could it play out perfectly right now? Yes, it could play out. Does it mean you should be taking this setup multiple times? No, you should not. Why? Because, man, just like it could win, it could lose. Like there's not, maybe it wins only 60% of the time. 60 is still not a number that you want to be taking trades. Like if you have a setup that has a 60% chance of winning, is that really a setup you want to be in? It shouldn't be. It really shouldn't be, unless you fucking, for that you go, I don't know, go play fucking slots in Vegas. Go play the roulette. Yeah, so FOMC meetings tomorrow also. Let me see real quick. Tomorrow, CPI for the GBPJPY at 2 a.m. So we need to have we need to have an early stream tomorrow, boys. Remind me of that one, and then we have you. Oh my god, dude. Shit's gonna be crazy tomorrow. That's wild. Today, CAD at 8:30. We should see a little bit of movement with the dollar. Not too much movement, but we will see movement. Swiss watch movement. This is the original. I'm gonna put the original trade that we had up, which is this one. This is the original trade that we had up. Would have been a drawdown. Thank you so much, Badas. Since I already got you an account, let's erase everything that you had last week and let's just start fresh right now for every signal that you send. I obviously will shoot you the money that I told you that I'll shoot you, so you just keep on sending me the setups, and yeah, every time I use them. So we'll start. It sounds like a deal. Start fresh right now. Ow, my back, my neck. These airplanes, bruh. I'm so happy to be back. All right, in between these two SMAs right now is a very scary position to be in. Realistically, the way you trade this is you just buy whenever you're at the low. You know, buy at the bottom of support, sell at the top of resistance, play the range out. It's a range within a range. But due to the fact that we are only going to take one trade tonight, check out. I was looking for nongs. Let me know what you do about to answer on. I actually like this song. Let me put on my headphones. Check out the Nifty 50? You're probably so right. We need to check out the Nifty 50. Hold up. This, boys, what does this look like to you guys? What market structure do you guys see right here? Let's see who gets the answer quick. What market structure do you think I'm looking at right now when I see this? All this, what is this? It is a little bit of an upside down head and shoulders. That is right. But what is also an upside down head and shoulders? An upside down head and shoulders is what also formation. I always break it down to you guys. Let's see who enters my streams and pays attention. There you go. Yes, sir, Slick. I knew it was going to be one of my OGs. An upside down head and shoulders is also a down channel, side channel, up channel, right? If you have an upside down head and shoulders, shoulder, head, shoulder, this is the same thing as having a down channel right here. Then we're in the range. We have a side channel, and then the up channel later comes. This is the same thing I'm kind of looking at that I feel like we could be picturing right here. And it's just, this is the down channel part of it, you know? This was supposed to be the head that never really broke resistance. And then up channel part is potentially going to form. Potentially, right? What we're doing is trying to anticipate the market structure that's going to happen. Upside down head and shoulders are the same thing as a, you know, it's also the same thing as a break and retest. It's also the same thing as a fib long, and all these are literally the same thing. Oh. And the support got held at the 50 SMA, man. Alright, so if we would have taken the trade earlier, this would have been our entry. This is around where Potas should have sent me the entry. Oh, should we take this trade or what, boys? Jesus Christ. Who's feeling the FOMO? I'm just kidding. Really doesn't come down to that. I think we're starting to see strong candlestick confirmations, you know, enough to give ourselves a good statistical chance of winning. What am I seeing as confirmations is the fact that we're respecting this 8 SMA. And forming higher levels of support while we do it, right? Not a lot of volatility, like I said, when I give my explanation of why I like longs, due to the fact that I do not see a lot of volatility. Not having a lot of volatility means that I don't think that we could break through all these levels of support that we got formed, right? Us just butter melting through all this fucking levels of support would mean that we need strong volatility towards a certain side. and us just not trading a lot with a lot of movement makes me think this is down channel, side channel. Now we're gonna slowly drift on up channel, which opinion could change quickly as it is right now as this candlestick starts coming towards this 50, and it might need to start going a little bit lower. Hopefully we have a good session today. I kind of want to put myself in a trade and catch whatever we could get due to the fact that, like I said, tomorrow is the FOMC meeting, and usually when you have such big important news, you know, the trades before or the way the market moves before the sessions before are a little bit choppy. Yesterday, what happened with GJ boys? Did it basically not go anywhere? Anybody in any buys right now, or anybody in any sells? What trades are you guys looking at right now? My nose. Gold buys. Let me look at gold. Oof! Gold actually turned around. That was nice. Oh my god, it hit the 50 SMA and then just bounced. Look at GJ. I'm being... boys, if we take a trade, it's going to be a 30 pip stop loss trade. I want you guys to have 30 pip stop loss calculated for 1%. It's going to be a 1% trade. Risk 1% of whatever you know. Standard lot size, please, boys. And 30 pip stop loss. Please, don't... If you guys are going to take my trade, put the stop loss I put. Don't just fucking decide, oh, I'm going to only put 20 pip stop loss and then just put actually risk 1% there. That's not going to work all the time, boys. It's not going to work. You guys want to be making sure you guys are actually fucking putting the correct stop loss. Oh, why is my nose itchy? I've got like allergies. Damn, but the daily looks so scary. I hate when GJ does that type of shit, boys. Like, look at this fucking daily candlestick chart. Who the fuck wants to be buying here? Like, it looks so juicy, boys. Like, I have my phone open. I'm about to execute this trade. I'm about to execute this trade, right? But then I look at the daily and it just completely throws me off. Does anybody agree with me on that? That the daily looks completely fucked for longs? Or is it just me that's being a fucking pussy? US 30 buys. Do you layer your trades? Does layer mean like stack them, like stack positions on them? Really just depends. If that's what it means, it really depends on how I'm feeling about the setup. I'm about to execute on this trade, boys. Jesus. You're gonna sell on gold. Did you just take this out? Looks like the head and shoulders here. Oh, the head and shoulders already played out. Anybody in any GJ longs right now, or we got people in GJ sells? What's up with the GJ traders in here, boys? Don't leave without me, please. Come back, you dirty bitch. Ehab sniped GJ. Alright, let's look at gold real quick. Back to gold. Wow, gold looks like he's gonna keep on going. Jesus. Seeing plays out of town like I'm Jordan. Alright, who's down to take some sells with me? I wonder who's down to take some sells with me, boys. Any Ventas? Price coming down kind of You riding whatever I'm doing? Man, me seeing price come back to this like break even, if this actually goes downwards, we're having wick rejections, respected this. Man, it's just at this point, if we actually go low and this candlestick flips bearish, I'm gonna have to fucking take sells. It really just comes down to when we're actually gonna push. But if this respecting this high confirms to me that we're going low. Yeah, I was in profit. Jeez. I'm excited to be back, boys. Then it turned around. Same GJ sell for me. You like everybody? All right. So one's in the chat for GJ buys, two's in the chat for GJ sells. What are you guys feeling? One's in the chat for GJ buys, two's in the for GJ sells. Yo, what happened with Dr. Dollar? Why? What happened with Dr. Dollar? In what sense? Damn, we got more buyers than sellers? All right, how would it look if we were to do something like this? I'll drink water while my paddock and use automatic. Like water when I'm fasting. Good morning. I'm from Hungary. Nice, brother. I love. If you're in a sell right now, when was your entry, Balaji? Emmanuel says he is staying on the sidelines. He's not down to trade choppiness. Yeah, that pop man, I saw at a show. Yeah, the AP on all of my hoes. Man, look at this daily fucking candlestick chart, boys. Ah, man, just looking at the daily, it's hard for me to take buys. And I'm fucking Mr. GJ buys, boys. You guys know that. I'm not in the sell yet. I'm not in the sell yet. My bad for doing that, boys. I know it's probably annoying as fuck. I just truly love being able to put the P&L and trying to like picture myself in the trade, right? I picture myself in the trade. I imagine how would I feel about it. What do I feel about the stop loss? And then, you know, from there I start going about. For those who don't follow me all the time, guys, whenever I take a trade, I'll make sure I start like, I'll say it like 6 times that I'm getting in this trade. I'm about to take this trade. Blah, 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 blah. I'm gonna make it very clear. So if you guys are doubting whether I'm in a trade, it's, I guess one, it could be because you weren't paying attention, or if you were paying attention and you're doubting, then it's most likely because I'm not in a trade. Dude, is that the daily looks so fucking ugly. Gold is still going up. Oh my god. 4 hour got respected on gold like a motherfucker. Look at this 4 hour, dude. Look at this head and shoulders the 4 hour gave on gold. That is crazy. I love whenever price gives a perfect like market structure. It looks beautiful. That's kind of what trading is fun. Okay, gotta go get it tomorrow. I'm selling out the Apollos. We about to eat my Giotto. Okay, gotta go get it tomorrow. All right, if you would mind, write into the chart if you are in a trade or not in a trade. It would help with the new joiners. Just a kind suggestion. Thank you for your suggestion, brother. Thank you for your suggestion. I usually do write whether I'm in a trade or not. I kind of just bounce around from the chart so much that it disappears sometimes. But it is also a clickbait strategy for you guys to think I'm in a trade. And then just, you know, and then out of nowhere they join and they're like, oh, this guy's about to clap. I'm going to watch him get clapped. And out of nowhere, you guys are like, oh, wait, he's not in a trade. And, you know, it just creates a little bit of engagement. You guys start asking questions. So, like, I don't know, maybe somebody just barely joined and they think that I'm in the sniper ass trade and now it makes me look good. So I'm just like, you know, taking advantage of it. Let me run with it, boys. Just kidding, dude. It really just comes down to me just trying to throw ideas left and right. Now, to answer also, Peter, majority of people that watch me trade, it's not really a lot of new viewers, but yes, to respect the new viewers, I need to probably do that. But majority of people that do watch me trade, they know that I only take one trade a session. So therefore, I kind of make it very clear when I'm in a trade, but obviously the people that don't join often, they don't understand that. But I promise you, I will make it very clear when I execute on a trade. And I'll stop putting this here. Like, I'll put it to the side and I'll type out the... I mean, it's always typed out. Just fucking always jump around from the charts that I lose it. We are not in a trade just yet. Just yet, man. The daily got me scared, boys. I'll tell you, the daily, for me to take buys with this daily looking like this, like, what the fuck is telling me to take a buy on this daily? The only thing that could be expected is like a fake out of this little, you know, trade beneath the SMAs and then go above it with a random ass pump. But man, us not having a lot of volatility, us just forming lower levels of resistance, us accumulating to the downside, still having to wick fill this. Looking at the weekly, we have fucking wick rejections to the upside. We finally closed beneath this. Ah, man. Now for the people, oh look, this is where we're not in the trade. It was there, it was just fucking hidden. Now, for people that are bullish, I want to know in the chat, and it's not that you guys are wrong, you know, there's reasons to be bullish. What are the reasons that you guys are bullish? Can you guys write those out for me? And write the reasons why you guys could be bearish. And then from there, make another decision and tell me if you guys are bullish or bearish, right? I want you to literally count how many confirmations you have towards each bias, right? And then double comes, you know, look at this 4 hour time frame. Look at this wick rejection. 223 spit out quick when the chopper ringing. We ain't never, bitch, we not vegan. Trade Motiversity. Trade Motiversity, if I was not on live stream right now, I would be holding a sell as well with a fat stop loss. I got 40 pip stop loss and I'd probably go to sleep. So if you are holding a sell right now, oof, it looks ugly here, but I think on the higher time frame wise, what you should not be, which is what you should be paying attention to, not smaller time frame, it's a valid trade. Hopefully this is like a little bit of a descending wedge and just meets this spot. I'm on the free chat. You got pretty charts, boy. Good shit. Whoa! Whoa, 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 what the fuck just happened right now? Oh wait, that's my candle. That's my... Dude, I was like, yo, what the fuck was that? GJ is still bearish pullback, higher time frame, no bias confirmations for me yet. I agree, Daywalker. I agree. I'm Mr. Bullish Lifestyle. I'm Mr. Take Buys all the time, boys. If you guys have not joined the Discord, make sure you guys join the Discord. Make sure you guys check out the spreadsheet. I am somebody who loves taking GJ buys, but and this is a setup that I take. This is a setup I take often. This is a setup I take often, right? We're trading above the SMAs. Man, this is just another fib. This is just another fib, right? It could be a fib from here to here, right? 0618 rejection, or it could be a fib from this to this 764 rejection, right? There's two different fibs within the fib. You know, we're making higher highs, higher lows there, but we just zoom out and like, man, that daily is fucked, boys. The daily is fucked. Like, look at the daily. The daily went to touch the resistance, and it rejected it. We actually rejected this already. When did we reject that? Let me look at the 15-minute time frame. So we rejected that about at London Open, or this was before London Open. This was at 2 o'clock, 2:15, around there. This is, so we rejected it during pre-London, tried breaking it. Now we are coming downwards towards session lows. 4 hour got respected to the downside. Boys, I'm about to start executing on sells. I just really wish price would go up, so I'm gonna have to take a sell at support. Yeah, because right now it looks like a better buy. Also due to the fact that it's just a sniper entry for buy more than a sniper entry for sell. Right, what am I trying to say by that? We take a sell right now, price easily could just come into our drawdown, touch this area again, then melt. You know, you're supposed to take the sell as price is rising, helps you have a better risk reward ratio. You know,
I look my brother in his eyes, I seen the pain in him. Boy, I won't play, I go to war about my gang members. I was in the trenches sliding with them grave diggers. Chopper showers, he gon' fall once that rain hit him. Addicted to this ecstasy, I like how it feel. It's like I've been popping X ever since I tried to feel. Shit got me through some hard times, I lost my mind for real. All the shit happened way too fast, I ain't had time to heal. It was gonna make it on that court, but he died in the field. I was still hanging in the hood before I signed the deal. Posted on Hustle Jakes right past, I had my nine concealed. I don't do no talking, they just spark shit when it's time to drill. Let's think so reckless, he ride fast when he behind the wheel. My shorties, I keep betting bonds, they gon' slide with the steel. We lost some soldiers in that war, so they been trying to kill. I be dolo with my ice on, I've been trying to chill. I know these niggas never been 100, they let that fame switch them. Did all that preaching about being solid, then you change, nigga. I'm from that 1300 block, I'm still the same, nigga. They know how I bleed, so they shit up in my veins, nigga. I look my brother in his eyes, I seen the pain in him. Boy, I won't play, I go to war about my gang members. I was in the trenches sliding with them grave diggers. Chopper showers, he gon' fall once that rain hit him. Ain't no playing both sides over here. Please make your mind up and choose. Bitches cheerleading and then they sneak this and I think they sorta confused. Please stop running your mouth as our brothers go missing and niggas get put on the news. You going through it, you losing it, huh? My shorty's eager to tie your schools. Them blickers go off like alarms, but you ain't waking up if you snooze. Niggas be clowns, putting on shows for the media. I don't be shit but amused. I won't forget about that little shit you said. We gon' get you for front of your move. My shooters some hell raisers come through clapping broad. They don't give a fuck about the rules. I played the block, went on them drugs by my lonely. I had to for up in school, fighting anxiety, so I kept spending my last on all of the drugs I abused. Down on my ass, they ain't give a fuck about me. I felt like I ain't had nothing to lose. Now I'm on my bed, just trying to run up these millies, cause I ain't got. I know these niggas never been 100, they let that fame switch them. Did all that preaching about being solid, then you change, nigga. I'm from that 1300 block, I'm still the same, nigga. They know how I bleed, so they shit up in my veins, nigga.
When I have a vacation, I'm gonna come visit you in Miami. Yes, sir, please do. Low-key want to sell right now, but I am chilling. Duncan, I'm moving back to Atlanta in October. Ehab, my boy coming to the east side. I'm gonna take your trade also today. You are not losing today. There you go. If Paras is on our side, we got fucking Gandhi on our side. Paras, do you know where Buddhism started? You got 5 seconds to answer. Do you know where Buddhism started? You know where Buddhism? You know I got a Buddha on me, brother. You know? You see the Buddha? Mark of the Buddha. You know where Buddhism started? Do you have any idea? Nope, Ehab. It started in India. This boy said, "What is it?" Oh my god. This guy, Buddhism. It's India. It started in India.
Can I speak my mind? Can I breathe? I know she might cry if I leave. I've been fooled by liars and thieves.
Yes, sir.
But I know time cannot freeze.
Clearly, Bottas does not know that.
Used to be 'cause that's who I was closer with. I'm in my bag.
Gold flying to the moon. Don't tell me that. I'm gonna get a little bit of. Dude, this setup looked so perfect. It looked a little bit too perfect. Like when price started accumulating, when price started approaching this 50 SMA, I high key was like, dude, this thing's just faking out the buy, and this is just gonna melt downwards on this bitch hard. Bottas doesn't know about Buddhism because Buddhism is from India and he's from Bangladesh, so he's not familiar with. Why be entering the sell? Right now we are 15 pips away from resistance. Yeah, this is GJ that I'm looking at right now. I'm high key, you know, getting ready to execute on GJ. Waiting for volatility right now. We have 3 minutes till a 15-minute candlestick closes. This 15-minute candlestick is like respecting support right now, but I feel bullish as we speak. Nothing to be executed yet, boys, but I am coming up on it. Very, very close. Sorry to have you guys waiting. That's the way trading is, boys. I don't want to lie to you. India is the top growing country in the world. Probably. Who knows? Well, I guess you know. I fucking love India. I want to go to India. It's so fucking... the people there are so fucking awesome. I've seen many videos of like Buddhism. I've seen many videos of like fucking people going and visiting, and like just random people are just so like happy to say what's up and shit. Like Bottas, dude. Bottas is such a happy dude. You guys, you know how happy it makes him to be here. Just loving life. Bro, I've been watching this motherfucker close. I was in GG trade since Friday yesterday, and I kept respecting this where you drew. Wait, bro, I have been watching this motherfucker close. I was in GG trades Friday yesterday, and it kept respecting that area you drew out. But if we're coming back to this area, it's for a reason. Could be also. I'm actually just asking questions. I'm actually pretty unsure on what GG is going to do. From Bangladesh. A Bangladeshian. What it do, Delawi? Hey, I heard that Miguel's been killing it on the private Zooms with the VIP. Is that true, Delavi? Oh shit, one second. Pablo, I don't even know what Bangladesh is, to tell you the truth. Like, I don't know what it is. I don't know where it is. I got taught on stream that it was a country. And I thought it was a place that, I don't know. I don't know what I thought of it. And I think it's such a funny word. That's why I use it. And then I know where Patas got like super offended on it. And he was like, yo, that's fucked up, yo, this and that. And I was like, yo, why are you being so mean to Bangladeshians? Like, what did Bangladesh do to you? Why is it fucked up to call somebody from Bangladesh? I'm like, that's pretty rude. There's nothing wrong with Bangladeshians, whatever that is or whatever they are. They probably fucking, you know, they probably good people. I am racist like Miguel. But is it like a thing? Is it like, I don't know. He doesn't want to tell me the tea. But my understanding is, I think now that Indians and Bangladeshians like maybe went at war at one point, and they don't like each other. Maybe they got like rival soccer teams or some shit, or cricket. We got rival cricket teams. It's like calling a Spanish person Mexican. Wouldn't it be calling a Bangladeshian Indian? It'd be calling like a Spanish person Mexican, not the other way around. So it's like you know, who the fuck is like what? A Bengali. I love that word even more. I think Bangladeshian sounds a little bit better though. Paras, you know I was just messing with you, brother. It was completely a joke. Bangladesh, a friend of India. Bangladesh, a friend of India. They not gonna get offended. I was joking. I was just trying to poke your buttons, Paras. You're funny to mess with. All right. Just caught those gold buys, brother. I saw the gold buy setting up. Right. This is a dead in volatility. Dead volatility. That means volatility. Whenever like volatility dies and we're just trickling towards somewhere. If volatility comes, there's a high chance of it just turning price around. I just didn't really believe, like, well, I don't know. It was just, dude, gold is such a fucking scary beast. Like, what's the chance? Like, look at that. Hey, if I'm Mr. Beast, Paras, you wanna know who you are? You're, you know who you are? You're that friend of his that's not on the channel anymore. And those who know, know, and that's it. That's all I'm gonna say. Because I don't want to get anybody offended. But that's who Paras is. It's not Carl. I don't know the guy's name. He's a little weird now. What the fuck? Yo, I don't know if it's Jack. I'm talking about the guy he's a girl now. He's not a guy, I guess. Yo, what was the dude? I was in Vegas a couple days ago, or yesterday, and some dude comes up to me and he thought I was Dylan Dennis for a second. His drunk ass. I should have fucking slept him. He thought I was Dylan Dennis. Oh, I saw Nate Diaz. I saw Nate Diaz at a party. Yo, I saw Nate Diaz at a party at the club I was at. Fucking, I'm by the bar. First thing, dude, it was such a fucking fake moment due to the fact that the first thing that I do when I see Nate Diaz is that I see that people are like asking him for like a photo and he's like with a serious ass face, and what he does is go like this. That's like his signature thing. He puts up his fist like this. Like, what's the chance that you see Nate Diaz in real life and out of nowhere he fucking does his like, he's doing his little thing and shit. He's a serious ass dude, super serious. He like left because a whole bunch of people were fucking fanboying over him and shit. It was just so fucking funny. Oh my god, dude, that's crazy. I also saw what's this guy's name? What's his name? No way, I can't remember. Alex Hormozy. I saw Alex Hormozy also. You guys know who that is? I saw this motherfucker right here. Alex Hormozy. If you guys don't know who Alex Hormozy is, I definitely recommend you guys. Whoever's like business oriented and likes fucking learning from entrepreneurs, this guy right here is the motherfucking guy. The motherfucking guy. This guy doesn't give a fuck about money. And I saw him in person, and this is exactly how he was dressed, boys. But that's the fucking most hilarious part. He was wearing this nose thing. He was wearing a goddamn tank top. He was wearing a weighted vest. Like, he's super into fitness. And yeah, that's so crazy. He was wearing a tank top. He was in a little nose thing. He was surrounded by people that had like suits and shit. And he was just walking around fucking, he's just your average fucking Joe. He's worth like fucking $500 million. And he doesn't give a fuck about making more money. He just makes, like, I don't know, dude. This guy's a beast. Crazy ass fucking world out there. Alright, let's focus up on GJ, boys. No volatility yet. We haven't really moved much since session open. Session open, and we've been ranging in a 24 pip range. In the last like 2 hours, we've only moved 24 pips. I'm gonna check out the Nifty 50. Nifty. High key, I see some nice longs setting up on the Nifty. Look at this 1 minute gap. Look at this 1 minute gap right here. Sheesh. Look at this 3 minute. 3 minutes fucking looks like gold right now. It's on a go. Damn, it's high key. Fucking huge reversal zone. Reverse, reverse, reverse. And we're getting there. Nifty longs, boys. If you guys do not know what the Nifty 50 is, then you guys have not been joining the channel and been learning. I recommend you guys hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications because we live stream every single night. Join the Discord channel, check the track record, you know, get the bundle. Get the fuck out of my trade if you don't want to be in it either. Yeah. Welcome to the Bullish Lifestyle family, boys. That guy had to be super drunk to think you were Dylan Dennis. Dude. He was like, oh my god, I thought you were Dylan Dennis. And he was like laughing. He was just like trying to be like nice. I was like, no, you're an idiot. He would call also, what was even more upsetting is that he called Dylan Dennis a fighter. He was like, you look like that fighter. And I'm like, who? He said Dylan Dennis. I'm like, Dylan Dennis isn't even a fighter. Who the fuck told you that? How is that guy a fighter? When's the last time he fought? Who's the last person he fought? When's the last time he fought? Over 5, over 6, over 7 years, over 8 years ago? Was it like over 10 years ago? Who the fuck? It's not a fighter. The fuck? You guys take trades day on and day out. Therefore, you guys are traders. If you ain't fucking fighting in more than fucking a year, more than 5 years, why the fuck are you gonna call yourself a fighter? Who the fuck is, you know, what are you talking about? What are you talking about? You ain't a fighter. You go to the gym and work out. Doesn't mean you're a fucking all-time athlete. YouTuber boxers are clown fighters. I mean, but they're fighters. They're actually, you know, taking events, going into camp, training, and trying to perform in front of a world stage. That's a little bit more admirable than somebody who doesn't even fight and won't fight in front of a whole bunch of people. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to them who doubted me. They keep. Yo, GJ needs to start moving, boys. 24. It's been like 2 hours. Look at this. So you guys don't think I'm here just talking shit? Which I am here just talking shit. I'll do it the long way. I'll do it the long way. How long? Let's see this. It has been. This is the bad way of doing this. My bad, boys. I don't even know what I'm doing anymore. All right. We have moved 37 pips in 1 day. In 1 day and 9 hours. What, boys? Is this correct? Somebody verify. Yo, now I feel like I don't even know what I'm doing anymore. Wait. All right. From here to here. From here to here, it is 18 bars. And 18 bars, that's 18 hours. In 18 hours, we have moved 35 pips. Is that real, boys? Am I looking at the correct thing? Oh, wait. I had my thing all the way over there. No, it's 7 bars. It's 7 bars. Why was I all the way over here? That was ridiculous. So in 7 hours, we've moved 40 pips. That's what it is. 7 hours, 40 pips. My bad. In 7 hours, we've moved 40 pips. That what's 7 divided by 40, boys? 5? No. If you think about it's more than 7 if you start. Yeah. It's more than 7 if I start to the left. Just realistically, in the last 7 hours from bottom, ultimate low to ultimate high, we've moved 37 pips. 7 hours. Now, if we actually grab, you're actually right. If we actually just do it the normal way, boys, why is price moving like that? Like I said, boys, I haven't really been paying attention to the charts much. We basically, since right here, 34 pips in 20 hours. 20 hours. 33 pips. GJ for sure is melting, boys. I'm just kidding. Weak high, in my opinion, good for a sell. I mean, fuck, dude. Look at these wick rejections right now that we're about to see. This looks like a fucking little sniper long. It's just no volatility. Honestly, we're moving off no volatility, so it's gonna be like the fuck, boys. And look at EU. High key, if Miguel's not in this EU long, boys, then what the fuck is he doing? Because look at this EU long. High key, we can need to start trading EU with Miguel. Miguel's been hitting VIP sessions, been fucking going VIP signals have been going crazy, bro. Look at this. Take profit hit. Take profit hit. Take profit hit. Take profit hit. 70 pips. Another one. Take profit hit. Oh, stop loss hit. Okay. Take profit hit. Stop loss hit. Okay. We lost it. Oh, take profit hit. You've been doing pretty good, boys. Gold's flying. EU is also flying. Wow, gold is flying. And what is GJ doing? Just fucking sitting there doing nothing. High key, if GJ does any sort of crazy rejection, I might as well just fucking start taking the sell. Might as well just take the sell. Scary ass long. How is UJ moving way more? Oh, don't even tell me that. Oh, there's a rejection coming. Should I take sells, boys? Let me see this. Nah, boys. The smart thing to do is wait. Clean buys are above the weekly bullish flip, right? If our bullish, if the weekly flip's bullish, I'll be looking at buys. So I'm gonna mark that out. I had this marked out before. Weekly, all right, buys above weekly flip. That's right there. So this is the weekly. So we actually tested these highs yesterday, previous London session, and we did not hit it. That is something that YB mentioned out earlier. Boys, might as well just fucking take advantage of the 30 pips that we have of no range and just fucking take the sell, I think. And if we get clapped, we get clapped, and that's the way just trading goes. But I think the smartest thing for us to be doing is to be doing something like this. Bonging over double strain, dirty right, yeah. I know love is a bitch and you don't fight fair. How the fuck I wake up from a dream to a nightmare? I know you're walking up to heaven on them white stairs. Algo expert. Oh my god, what to do, Algo? How's everything, brother? How has your trading been, brother? Did you pre-book the new phone? No, I did not pre-book the new phone. I've been in Vegas, baby. Sin City. Told them to quit making noise. Monday is not going well for me. Well, Monday, we just barely read the chart, and it says that in the last 20 hours, price has moved around 34 pips, 37 pips, 37 pips in the last 20 hours. So if you've been trading GJ in the last 20 hours, you have been, man, probably like fucking waiting along for a while to just get stopped at a break even or get stopped out on some stupid shit for then to just go back into your trade where you would have been in profit. Like stupid shit like that, boys. Super, like, come on. Fuck is happening with price?
When I'm in traffic, gotta slide with the beam on me. Cause I keep out 10 racks bustin' out the jeans on me. Nigga be hating, I'm rich, it's all about the cream, homie. If I ever get caught lacking, they gon' slide. Ever since I got the rollie, I ain't got the time. Flawless diamond niggas can't never block the shine. They know I'm ballin' in the city like the Rosen. Gotta keep my niggas round me, I can't do the wrong friend. I was knocking down walls, now they closing in. Hopped off the porch and then I hopped inside the Porsche. Ay, fuck being the side nigga, I'ma be the main court. Whip the rolls like a young nigga made. I ain't tryna die young, so I gotta ride with one.
Chat. Anybody in any trades right now with GJ? Anybody in anything with GJ right now? Yeah, in the buys. Good shit, Ben. Ehab, you are Mr. GJ buys with just like me. Mr. GJ buy today is scared to take a GJ buy. Man, these wick rejections, this level right here was respected cleanly. Look at this 4 hour beneath the 8. New hourly candlestick has opened 2 minutes ago. New hourly candlestick is now trading beneath this 8. Are we going to have a wick rejection right now? If this actually flips bullish, this is a good sniper buy. Not sniper because it's already, you know, especially because it's still going out. But the the flip of this, 182,900, it's a pretty good buy. So anything like that, like triggering yourself. Oh. But this might just melt right now and fake out everybody thinking that it's actually going to reject this 50 SMA. That's actually what I think is going to happen. I think it's going to fake out the sell. Fake out the buy and just melt. But it is a valid trade if anybody would think that. If you guys are set on the bullish bias and you guys aren't buying the sells, you're good. Your best trade is to take this flip. If this flips, this 15-minute, I think it's a 30-minute as well. If this 30-minute flips, there's clean traffic. There's clean traffic. Pablo says bingo. But look, this is melting. Still has a chance of flipping. We're not going to throw the bias out the door. And it would just be a strong indication. I like it a little bit less the more it goes down to the fact that it's such a big rejection. That like it makes me feel like I got late into the trade. But it still makes it valid if you throw the correct stop loss, correct risk management. But this could easily just trade beneath the SMA like it does multiple times and then trade above it. Right? We're still on this small time frame up channel. Let's pay attention to price and let's not get distracted. Let's try to get ourselves into something, boys. Imagine the Maniac taking a buy right now. Hey, Maniac sometimes get it great. What to do, Jonathan? Oof, man. Clive, Ben. You guys in profit? Dangerous zone also. Also, whoever's getting triggered into buys right now, I prefer your entry over many other entries. So, look at the 5-minute one. Look at the 5 minute. 5 minutes of fucking support fake out. What are you going to do, GJ? Talk to us. Please talk to us. Be one with GJ boys. Feel the kombuya. What you gonna do, GJ? Jesus. Drop. In 30 minutes. Dude. It's brutal waiting for these trades. I already even dancing on this weapon make it swim. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Look at this daily, boys. This daily is getting to be something that we really don't want to be looking at, like for buyers. What you gonna do? Ehab, you're hilarious. Ehab, we need to fucking meet up one day and have a fucking smoke something, have a little drink. Look at the daily, boys. Fuck. Oof. Hopefully we don't. I mean, I'm actually praying that price falls right now. I don't give a fuck if I'm not in the trade. Get the fuck out of the range we're in, though, please. Right? Like, get the fuck out of this range. It's... Damn. Ehab, we're at your entry, no? Oh, yeah, this around like where your entry is. But the price keep going up. Anybody in sells right now? Anybody get triggered into sells before? Recently? Anybody in besides Ben and who's in sells? Who's in sells? Who are the fucking beasts in sells? This cracker where I'm from. This but you burning up. This is like gang banging only home is always. Dude, shit's about to go down. What's crazy is that we fucking completely rejected the shit of 183. Good shit, YB. Oh my god. Oh my god. Thank God we ain't getting to no buys. I'm telling you, Mr. Bullish Lifestyle is not liking the buys today. Man, it's just a clear example of this is the first thing I said when I got on. Lower levels of resistance are being formed. Yesterday's resistance got blocked. Holy fuck. What an entry, Pablo. Hey, YB, you executed. I didn't, though, so good shit. I mean, right now, so far, I mean, it's great for whoever's been in the trade. Regardless, buys are not at the door, sells are not in the door. Anything could still happen. We're in the middle of a range. You know, we're still in the middle of the side channel. This could literally be a little bit of a pullback. Still early into the session. We're 1 hour and 9 minutes into the London session. I mean, every session is about 8 hours. So, you know, we're 1/8 into this marathon. It's not a race, it's a marathon, boys. You know, don't rush into a trade. Focus on the long run. What do you do, Fofana? How's everything going, yo? How's your trading been going, Fofana? Did you get into account? My Forex Funds website. Yo, anybody, get somebody tell me any update on my Forex Funds? Are they dunzos for realzos to the end? Did I really get scammed? I got $200,000 in live funding and a payout waiting. 2 payouts waiting. Damn it. Fuckers. I've been getting how to have my insecurities. Blue deposit, I threw up another bad fucking nip. Yo, Gigi's a piece of shit today. How about that? We just take a fucking gold long. Something in the song and something in the deep search.
so deep into your eyes, I can read your thoughts. Shut the fuck up, I mean, please don't talk. I done been through too much and I don't need another loss. Put that on every war scar for every battle.
Ooh, GG's still going right now. What's gonna happen? Fucking wick rejection. Oh, fake outs. Oh my god. Feel bad for whoever's hopping into trades right now with GJ. It's just being a bitch, dude. Did anybody get stopped at a break even onto their sell? What's up with everybody in the chat? I want to know what you guys are in right now. I feel like this trade's gonna hit. I feel like this gold trade is gonna hit high key. Still in the sell. Love it, LM. Love that you're a patient trader. Love it, YB. More patient sellers. I love it. Remember, this level means buys, boys. If we start trading above 183, 183, 300, 183, 400 is clean targets. Drawdown sells. I love that you're also patient, brother. God damn, 13 win streak. Wow, that is crazy. Oh my god, dude. GJ is not playing around today. GJ this week has not been playing around, boys. Look at this. Look at this. We're on the hourly time frame. Let's go to the hourly time frame. You guys click on the little measurement thing on your left, right? With my big ass head covering it. Oh, you guys don't see it. Look, all right, fuck it. It's a little measurement tool that we can measure the candlesticks, and we can measure them upwards and down. So right now we see we have moved 40 pips. So you see it says 25 bars. We're looking at the hourly candlestick chart. So in 25 hours, we have moved right here. It sells right here, 39.1 pips. 39.1 pips in 1 day and 1 hour. Are you guys looking at the same thing I'm looking at, boys? Is this real? Is this you guys? I was in Vegas yesterday. I was not available for the chart. Wait, what day is it today? Today's Tuesday, no? Oh, today's Monday. Jesus, I'm so disoriented. Wait. I'm so confused. Sunday. It's Tuesday. Why the fuck did I just say it's Monday? Where did I read Monday here? Dude, I was so just confused right now. What a fucking huge brain fart. I thought it was Tuesday. I thought it was Monday for a second. I knew it was Tuesday, but then I thought it was Monday. I was like, wait, it's Monday. I was like, this is last week, boys. No, that was yesterday. Like I said, I was in Vegas, boys. I was in Vegas. I was not paying attention. I was in Vegas since Thursday last week, early morning till, dude, basically today in the morning, a couple hours ago. So I just wasn't paying attention to the charts. Very busy. And you guys, how the fuck, yo, look, who the hell you guys traded this? This hasn't even gone anywhere. What the fuck have you guys been trading? 31 pip range? Oh my god. I feel bad, dude. I would have gotten clapped probably being there yesterday. Jesus. Go back to bed, Duncan. It is Tuesday, bro. Drugs. It's Tuesday like shit, bruh. It's winning day. 20 minutes left. I waited for those 20. Nah, dude, is that in Vegas, bro? You don't know. So I woke up early. So the reason I'm disoriented, I woke up early on Thursday. No, I didn't go to sleep on Wednesday night. I didn't go to sleep because I had to fly out Thursday morning at 4 in the morning. Got to Vegas at like 9 in the morning. You start doing whatever you got to do. It's a busy ass day on Thursday. get to the hotel, you know, party at night. Out of nowhere, you wake up and you're like, wow, that felt like a Friday. And it's Friday, and then that felt like a Sat. Like, I don't know, the partying started on Saturday, and it just goes on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and I don't know, you just, I don't know, brother. It's just, dude, it's so interesting how shit's always going there in Vegas. Every day looks the same. Every day looks the same because you go to the bottom of your hotel room, you go to the bottom of the casino, everything's just fucking packed with people. Everybody's in dresses and suits, and they're just going ready to go out. Like, it's you know, club ends at like 6 in the morning, and then after that you got after parties everywhere, and like the city never sleeps, man. The place is a fucking place is Sin City, man. Baddies, definitely, dude. That is what the best thing. Just baddies everywhere. Actually, I think Miami has better baddies. Obviously, yeah, Miami had better baddies. There are obviously baddies, but Miami has better baddies. Do I think gold will sell? No, I'm very bullish on gold. I think gold is going to go long. I threw this little psychology trade up. Now, I'm obviously not executing on anything like this. This is just a little fake setup. Could gold keep on retracing and bounce off one of the SMAs? Yes. You know, could it come back all the way to this level? Possibly. But man, we've been very bullish on gold. I don't trade against the trend. So realistically, I wouldn't like taking sells on gold. Just completely against trend. Fofana, are you trading any funding accounts yet? Did you get any new funding account? TFT? Boys, I'm about to just take sells from here. And it's not like a FOMO thing. It's more of I'm gonna take a sell and get the fuck off if this thing's gonna just range. You know, if we break Monday's highs, I get stopped out. I got the bias wrong. I lose my 1%. I'm not gonna cry about it. And if it goes, it goes. I think that's the way we're gonna have to do this shit. Because what the fuck? You feel me? Fuck is the point of us just fucking watching price do this? Especially when we're already pretty set on that. It looks pretty bearish. But it could stop me out. This could be like a little fucking. This could be the downward side channel, up channel. We'll be a little bit more patient. We'll be a little bit more patient. I won't be a little impatient with you guys. Just like, damn, bro. The fuck. It'd be more. You know, I prefer taking this trade and getting clapped or winning than us fucking sticking around here for 5 more hours and not getting into a trade because we don't get the confirmations we need, and then it not even going anywhere. Oh my god, Fofana. That's so funny. The lobby's like, I've been there. The lobby's like, I've been there, Fofana. It'll all get better. You just gotta start looking at the 1 minute. I got some rickety wreck, yeah. Running through bitches like backpacks. Nah, I am not in the cell. Sleeping in the kids' room. That's the worst. I am not in Fofana. Just trying to clickbait the people that don't follow the stream. I'm just kidding. I might get in. 30 pip stop loss for me, boys. I'm just. I usually it's 4.8 lots for me. I usually just go with 5. Don't go. If you have a question, I have no. No, I have not tried it. I think I'm going to take this trade, boys. Please come up more right now before I execute. Before I push the button, come up more. Please. Come up. Come up. What the fuck happened to the... Oh, why does it do that every time I go into the smaller time frames? Come up more. Come up, come up, come up, come up. There you go. Come up. Push, push, push. Oh, it's going down. Oh, it's going up. Hey, we're definitely at a very important level on GJ right now, boys. I am very close to hopping into sells. 30 pip stop loss. 30 pip stop loss is above our weekly flip. Our weekly flip is where yesterday GJ rejected resistance. I think we're taking the trade. We'll take the trade, boys. Let's take it. Actually, not yet, not yet, not yet. I'm sorry for being hesitant like that, boys. You guys are gonna hear the click. You guys are gonna hear the click on my phone. Yeah, let's just fucking do it. We're doing it. Better yet, let's just wait for the 30-minute candlestick closure. If we miss it, we miss it. 30-minute candlestick closure is 8 minutes away. We could be patient enough to wait for the 30-minute candlestick closure. Realistically, daily candlestick still looks really, really bad for buys. Daily candlestick looks horrible for buys, right? The only thing that has me fucked up about this trade is that we have not moved anywhere in 20 hours. So therefore, what looks fucked up has been looking fucked up for 20 hours. Therefore, like, easily volatility comes in and just makes it look non-fucked up. You know what I mean? Like, if this is 20 pips, think about it. Volatility comes into the trade. It could easily fly 30 pips. 30 pips is the whole fucking, is the bigger candlestick, is the biggest candlestick that we've seen in the last 24 hours. And therefore, it would make the trade completely irrelevant. So one volatility wave right now makes our trade irrelevant. That's the whack part about trading GJ today. Is that, you know, if we're going to be taking trades on it, there is a chance of, you know, the chance of failure is a bit higher. Due to the fact that, man, volatility could just push us anywhere at one point. Now, that's why I think I'm more satisfied with just following the higher time frames and just saying that, you know, but then I don't know where GJ does like an upside down head and shoulders the way it's rejecting right now, and then it just gets you thinking the other way, and that's when you just prefer not to be in a trade, boys. Now I'm explaining to you guys my mental psychology breakdown of what I'm feeling. It's not that I'm fucking panicking about the trade. It's not that I'm actually panicking. I'm here trying to communicate to you guys what my brain processes. It's you know, it's processing. You know, I'm processing my mind out loud. The same way you guys go through all these mental thoughts, I'm just trying to give you guys the experience of what I'm actually thinking. And yeah, that's the way, you know, I'm like, you know, that's literally just me thinking out loud. So I'm not, instead of me staying quiet here, just staring at the chart saying, and you know, I'm literally giving you guys my exact opinion on what I think is happening at the moment, what I think is you know. But I do have my phone open, ready for execution, boys. So the second, and it's next to my microphone. So the second that you guys hear me say, you know, I'm in a trade, and then you hear the pop, you guys are gonna hear the pop. If you guys are actually waiting to actually take my trade, wait for the pop. That's the best thing I can explain to you. Wait, ow, my head. Why does it hurt? I'm like beat up. My neck was hurting. Now I got like a random pain right here. Ow. Nuku. Trigger finger ready, brother. You're biting the bullet? I think I'll bite the bullet with you, brother. I think I'm executing on the sell. I'm like so close to pulling the trigger. It's valid. It's super valid. This continuation pattern. We're in this trade, boys. Execute, 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 execute. We're in this trade. We are in a 30 pip stop loss trade, boys. I want you guys to execute with pride. We win together or we lose together. If you guys don't want to be in the trade, we are break even. You get the fuck out. Oh, my back hurts, man. Fucking hate plane rides. Wanna what's so fucking shitty? When I'm on the plane, right? I'm thinking, this is a shitty seat. This is a shitty plane. What are my other options? Like, every other airline they're all shitty. Like, unless you're paying, I think, like, what airline is supposed to, like, unless you're flying to fucking Dubai, you know, and you're not going Emirates, and you're not flying out to some, like, dude, like, the typical airlines in America that just fly you around in America are just so fucking shitty. Frontier's ass. American Airlines is you know, not much better than Frontier. Spirit's obviously ass. Like, what the fuck is a good airline? Pablo, you can help me? Dalavi? Like, what the fuck is a good airline for you? Like, where do I gotta make sure that I can fly and be comfortable and like, like, until San Francisco, I was business class. Business class, you can't even recline your chair, brother. What the fuck is that? Like, what the fuck is that? Boeing 50. Boeing's probably the way I gotta go. Delta. Are you Delta's the way to go? For real? I know Boeing's not an airline, but you gotta make sure you're flying Boeing. I mean, all the planes are Boeing planes, so I don't even know that either. Boys, we got 38 likes and 105 viewers, and probably a bunch of people that are not in the Discord yet. So I'm gonna send the Discord link so everybody can join. I'm gonna send the Instagram. I'm gonna send my personal Instagram. I'm gonna send my spreadsheet with my track record. I'm gonna send what else I gotta send? If you guys want to join the VIP, I can send that as well. I'll get you unbanned. I have to consult with my council, my Discord council. I have a Discord council for the Bullish Lifestyle VIP. It consists of around 7 members. 3 of them being the head of the council. Head of the council is Dalavi, Paras, and another one who probably prefers to be unknown. You know, it's the secret wild card. And the rest are just people that have valid opinions. And I need to put it up with them to make sure that they will let the bill go through, you know? I love this song so much, boys. This song is so underrated. Hey mate, how is this month going for you? I actually have no idea. I forgot. What day are we at? Track record. I'm gonna open up my track record right now. If I don't remember, it's probably not going good. Yeah, it's probably not going good. We have took in 2 wins, 2 losses, 5 break evens. The first 3 break evens would have been losses. The last 2 would have been wins. And the ones that I broke even in, so this one would have been a win, and then I lost. This one would have been a win, and then I lost. So that was actually terrible. Last trade I took, I won. And yeah, just fucking, this is not good. This is not good. This is how we did in August. That's decent. July. That's on the decent level again. June. That's good. May. That's great. April, that's great. So far this year, I mean, we're up. You know, we haven't had any, you know, losing month. We haven't had any bad months. This month could be considered a losing month if we don't step it up. It could also be considered an okay month, bad month, but we haven't had any bad months yet. How long have you been trading? I've been trading about 5 years, maybe even longer, almost 6. Yo, this song is so underrated. I'm telling you, this song is so fire. And my heart covered in chrome. You live in the U, I live in Florida, brother. I am from Miami, but I live in North Florida right now, so this pair needs to start moving ASAP, or else it'll get off. I am not completely rested and back from my trip, boys. We are 100% going to live stream every single day of the week, and we're going to continue live streaming every single day of the rest of the month. Just let me get back on schedule, boys. Cuba Libre, eso sí, cabrón. Okay, gotta go get it tomorrow. I'm selling out the Apollos. Fucking GJ, dude. I can't believe it's only moved like about 30. How many pips was it, boys? What was the calculation we did? It was about like 37 pips in 24 hours. 37 pips, 24 hours. That is impressive price action. None to say the least. Acá son las 4:30 de la mañana. What do you think about Dr. Dollar's bot for 3K? Hey, if it makes money, it makes sense, eh? We have a bullish lifestyle bot that is, I'd say even better than that. And pretty sure it's going to be able to beat that price. And it's already made. It's actually already completely made. It's actually completely functioning. And it has been already put to test. And it works. Just... I have no live accounts to connect it to currently, but it works with live accounts. That's a great part. I have no live accounts, and I wasn't gonna trade people's challenge. I'm passing people's challenges right now, so I wasn't gonna trade people's challenges with the new bot that we got. So I've been letting Miguel do everything of all that, and also I was in Vegas for the last 5 days, so I just wasn't paying attention to anything business-wise. I let the company handle it. And wow, this is like the random volatility that I was talking about that I just fucking hate. That we could just easily just fucking start being pushed to the wrong side. Alright, trade's not invalid yet, just fucking looks bad with this fucking respecting, the hourly respecting right here. Duncan, can you adopt me, bro? I want to enjoy. Oh my god, Patas. Patas, I'm only like 5 years older than you, brother. What you talking about? What are you talking about? Yo, this guy's name is long as fuck. Trading Forex Live Gold and Bitcoin Live. Yo, I think you put your name as the title on accident, bruh. All caps also, that is great. Boys, I'm gonna tell you the truth, this doesn't look good. This trade's starting to trade above this 8. Yeah, no, I agree. Hourly doesn't look too good. Now, it doesn't look horrible. Definitely doesn't look good though. True or nothing. I mean, but just like it went up a couple pips ago, like, just man, price has gone up and down for a while. Like, the chance that we just butter knife fly, if we butter knife fly and get stopped out, we get the fuck off and that's it. You know, it really just is what it is. We lose the 1%, we keep it moving. What did I base my trade on? Higher time frames and daily. Higher time frames and daily. If we look at the weekly, so looking at the weekly, this resistance that we have written right here, this was yesterday. Yesterday we did not break this resistance and we traded all the way down. We came above to pre-London session, pushed hard aggressively to the upside, and completely rejected it again. So that means that we started, this is weekly highs, this is previous session highs, completely rejected, right? Now we start looking at the daily time frame, and we see that the SMAs, I mean, yes, this is the level where we've had wick rejections, but we see that we are coming from having SMAs strongly reject, and now we are beneath this 50, where we closed, and then we start looking at the daily as well, beneath the 50 being sell, and this daily closed perfectly engulfing this. So this, and then we came up to resistance again, right? but then we rejected that resistance, which is what we're doing right now. So that has me saying, hey, we closed that resistance. All right, they faked us out for buys. No. We're rejecting it. Therefore, I do think that we need to continue wick filling everything that we've been doing to the downside to the left, right? Now, the trade is looking worse and worse as I speak. Nonetheless, that's the analysis. That's the following the trend bias. Now, I see why it could be, why we could get fucked by being in the fucked ass upside down head and shoulders. That's not really picture clear, or just it being the down channel, side channel. You know, no volume coming. We have been rising for the last, I guess, 7-8 hours. Not with a lot of volatility. The price is not really doing much. Yeah. We're not going to do anything yet. We're not taking ourselves out of the trade just yet. We could potentially close at break even. So look, we're now at the weekly bullish flip, which is where above the weekly. Oh no. Buys above here. What is that line that I drew there? Right there. The fuck is that? I was about to say, how the fuck we get to the weekly? Oh, this is just another level of so a little break and retest point. When the fuck did I draw that? I don't even know where that came from. Just pretend you're buying and the market will tank. That's exactly what I fucking do, man. You just gotta go and pretend you're buying and the market, you know, just let's act like we're just double the lot sizing this way. You know, this is the setup right here. This thing will probably get clapped. But yeah, that was the analysis, and like I said, man, so if this trade actually doesn't hit and we hold it all the way to a 50 pip stop loss, it means the weekly flipped bullish and we just completely got the bias wrong. And you're not always correct in trading. You know, it is what it is. It's not something you're supposed to really, you know, you don't shy away from your losses. Don't be scared of your losses, boys. If you guys lost today and you guys have taken 2 trades already and you guys are like, yo, I'm fucked, say, hey, I've gotten fucked by GJ today. I'm gonna fucking move on and try to, you know, catch it better the next time. The next time doesn't mean keep on going until you win. Because at that point, you're just racking up losses. If the market's not moving in the conditions that favor you, that's it. Move it on to the next day. Wait for the next wave. Wait for the next session. You know, go trade a different pair. Reset your mind. Nothing you can really do. You know, everybody loses. Everybody loses. It's just about knowing how to lose. Something that I love. I love saying that on stream. It's everybody knows how to win. Nobody knows how to lose. Right? I said that wrong. Everybody knows how to win, but not everybody knows how to lose. I love you, Santori. Guys, check the comment section right now. You guys can have access to all the links. I'm getting sick of the... Thank you, Santori. Much love, brother. I appreciate all the support and all the help, brother. Did gold sell? Or gold go long? Oh, gold sell. What are you doing, GJ? Give us some action, brother. Speak to us. Never gave me nothing. Just barely set my stop loss. I never had my stop loss set. All right. GJ Doji. Where's the Doji? Let me see that. Man, looking at the daily, I'm still pretty convinced that it needs to sell. But the fact that there's no volume, like I said, volume can just come and make the trade look like anything it wants it to.
spaceship, take it to the moon. Cold hearts on my face just to help me look cool. A pussy stay wet, we don't gotta use lube.
Barcode on the whole fucking Jesus.
Spending edition 10,000 on shoes. Spend with no limit, 100 on June. Too many bitches, they coming in twos. I took a perk, I bet itches is known. Why the broke is the loudest in the room? Why all of a sudden niggas won't be cool? Ain't giving second chances, ain't no fool. I'm out my depression, life been going smooth. Rising my session back and through the roof. You gon' make some money, book me for a show. Most of my classmates thought I was a joke. Now look at their faces, I done gave them hope. New phantom, I'm like I need me one of those. I built my name up to help the business grow. She freaky pulled up without no pantyhose. I'm stacking these Benjamins, trying not the boss. Bought some exclusive drip on Melrose. But the judge gave my cousin elbow. Locked them up, put them in a hellhole. And hope that he riding out a mill, dude. Ain't seen him since my first year of high school. I'ma pay his way out for about $1 million too. 10 years riding out, make sure he has some food. I hear that shit down, I look what we can do. Right the bit of the maybe depend on my mood. More bookings and payments and shit, they got huge. Hop in the spaceship, take it to the moon. Cold hearts on my face just to help me look cool. Her pussy stay wet, we don't gotta use lube. Good head on her shoulder like she still in school. For folks in my soda, I won't catch a flu. Loyalty mandatory, you part of this crew. Spending edition 10,000 on shoes. Spend with no limit, 100 on June. Too many bitches, they coming in twos. I took a perk, I bet itches is known. Why the broke is the loudest in the room? Why all of a sudden niggas won't be cool? Ain't giving second chances, ain't no fool. I'm out my depression, life been going smooth. Crew full of winners, know what we can lose. I learned from mistakes, won't take another loss.
Come on. This fucking 10-minute closes. Alright, 15-minute closes in 3 minutes. In 3 minutes, what the fuck is this counter gonna do? That is the question of the night. Where's my gun? That's a good question. Where the fuck is my gun? I have no idea where I left it.
You part of this crew. Spending edition 10,000 on shoes. Spend with no limit, 100 on June. Too many bitches, they coming in twos. I took a perk, I bet itches is known. Why the broke is the loudest in the room? Why all of a sudden niggas won't be cool? Ain't giving second chances, ain't no fool. I'm out my depression, life been going smooth.
Sorry. Again, sorry. Alright. I'm gonna ask you guys which one you guys prefer.
These ain't no guess jeans. I dropped out of school, I'm still good at math, but nigga don't test me. I play to the left, they went to the right, they try to finesse me. Still running around with that blicky, I hope they don't catch me. Police ain't raided that spot, so we went to the next street. Play like I'm dumb, as soon as it pop, I'm going retarded. He say I'm hard and he say I'm garbage, I'm rich regardless. We in Miami in the middle of the winter and we on them jet skis. If we in Atlanta, I'm running and catting, I'm working the red. I cannot mention my homies inside of my song cause I know they be trapping a lot. I can't keep taking these pills when I'm in the trenches, they say I be capping a lot. I know a nigga who said he got rich off the dope, but I know he
It's not too late to enter the trade.
I know some niggas who said that they took down the city, but niggas be lacking a lot. Yeah. That shit was awful, nigga had that dog.
Are you still in the trade? Yes, I am still in the trade. Alright, what did I want to do?
You could not come back around me, you charge your back on me, I cannot forget. The police was lying, they said that they caught you, but nigga, they made you admit. Your name was fine, you put in that work, they took your stick, you a bitch. Fuck my ops, they be on my dick, they all be mad, we rich. Turn up. Under 25, living like a boss, lying around with a chauffeur. I don't sell drugs, still be paranoid, keep looking over my shoulder. Niggas lying like I'm stealing swag, but it's my shit like I wrote it. These rappers really nice as hell. I'm a different nigga when I'm pissed off. Many say he gon' press up on who? I'ma get the steal like I'm Chris Paul. Back to back Suburbans, I'm a big dog. I was in the slum serving fentanyls. I be land junkies having withdrawals. I've been getting to a lot of missed calls. Turn it off, what the fuck is he talking about? I should slap you for saying he hot as me. I don't know who could fuck with me, honestly. They know I'm the man, so they watching me. Different color bands like Monopoly. Man, he must not be using his hair. If he thinking I don't keep a Glock with me, that's like suicide. If you play with us, got a better chance at the lottery. Call an ambulance when that chopper sweet. Make the crowd.
Long ass top wick. That is a long ass top wick. Man, we need volatility, boys. That's what we need.
These ain't no guess jeans. I dropped out of school, I'm still good
This trade could still fucking fuck us if we. Ah, my ear. Bitches.
He say I'm hard and he say I'm garbage, I'm rich regardless. We in Miami in the middle of the winter and we on them jet skis. If we in Atlanta, I'm running the cat and I'm working the red key.
One second.
My youngest heartless, so they ain't playing no games. We really want him dead. He got hit up close range. He fucked up in the head. He wanna see some more brains. On that corner, I can stay about that dope game. My cousin got indicted dealing cocaine. She an Instagram addict. She want more fame. I used to starve, now I'm blowing up like propane. Told my inner self, I promise you I won't change. We make it hot up on your block. We let that heat blow. Catch a op, we dump the clip. It's time to reload. Put a scope on the AI just like a peephole. Think he a bully, we got choppers for the Debo. 7-figure nigga trying to.
Boys, what do you like? How you guys like this watch?
Before the bag, I was fucking all the freak hoes.
Is this a yay or a nay? Those are diamonds right there. Those are like diamonds on the face. I don't know how I feel about it. You guys like it? Let me see what the chat says. Do you think gold is good for a sell? I don't think I'll look at gold. No, gold is bullish right now, boys.
My cousin got indicted dealing cocaine. She an Instagram addict, she want more fame. I used to starve, now I'm blowing up like propane. Told my inner self, I promise you I won't change. We hold a grudge and we want blood, we can't look past the issue. Play with us and you gon' die, nigga, it's kinda simple.
It's a two-door.
We gon' kill whoever riding with you. Catch you on the other side, then we gon' have to get you. Condolences to your family, they gon' have to miss you. Let Joe on go and he gon' spark this if I pass the signal. My right hand man, he got his name cause he gon' blast a pistol. Earned our stripes, we gon' blow if a nigga play foul, you would think we had a whistle. Look, capital I-G-O-A-T, yeah, that's that gas initials. Happiness and depression, I'm stuck inside the middle. I fell in love with dollar signs, won't let my mind forget you. Fuck it off, we spend it all on fast cars and shining crystals. My youngest heartless, so they ain't playing no games. We really want him dead, he got hit up close range. He fucked up in the head, he wanna see some more brains. On that corner, I can stay about that dope game. My cousin got indicted dealing cocaine. She an Instagram addict, she want more fame. I used to starve, now I'm blowing up like propane. Told my inner self, I promise you I won't change.
Let me fix my posture, boys. My bad for being quiet. I'm just trying to see this fucking... Well, honestly, I'm looking at watches. It's so cool how you could like try on the watch, like with like fucking AI camera type shit. That's fire. That's how like one of the watches would look on me. Ooh wee.
Try to forget you, I ain't got nothing against you. We human, we all got issues, but I'm tired of being tired. That part of me done died. I see it, then I don't act like I'm blind. I'm confident it won't be one of mine. I know emotions come with lies, so I tell the truth all the time. Ain't got no sympathy for no bitch. I admit that I'm rich and I'm lit. Jumping up on stages, I get trapping and they still be getting active. I tell them to chill. I'm trying to run up these M's, pay cash and then he post the crib. I can't show nobody where my mama live, that's how I supposed to feel. My niece just asked me what my diamonds real, I said of course. I just played the hand that I was dealt, they had the force. All around the world they know it's me, they hear my voice. And I done it all in a pair of Dior's. Yeah, young age, learn how to get paid. Big stage, long way from session A. Big wave, he gon' have to get saved. Riding on foreign, she fin on the forest. I know I went there for you, at least I said I'm sorry. You know what it was, I told you that I was hardest. I'm emotionally scarred, that ain't even your fault. But don't listen to them haters tryna feel you here with salt. All this revenue coming in, I probably never spend. I just bought my BM of Benz, now that's another Benz. I just cut off all of my friends and brought my brothers in. I don't see nobody but me, who I'm gon' lose to. I can't move around without tools, these niggas lose screws. I can see me taking the lead over the new school. They remember me from selling weed at my old school. Only hit it once and now it's old news. Blew up, who the fuck would knew? Make my track out Lissy Blue. If I get one, you get one too. I really move how bosses move. I never call myself a goat. I leave that up to the people. Everybody can't go to the top. I had to lead some people. I'ma be forever scheming. Woke up, I thought I was dreaming. Watch my little boy play with toys. I just dropped a tear joy. Some shit that I feel for. I've been going crazy with the scoring. Call me baby hard. They say I'll be great. I guess I'm waiting for it. Young age, learn how to get paid. Big stage, long way from session A. Big wave, he gon' have to get saved.
So why blue and purple for my? Because it's the Bullish Lifestyle colors.
Learn how to get paid. Big stage, long way from session A. Big wave, he gon' have to get saved. Riding on foreign, she fin on the forest. I know I went there for you, at least I said I'm sorry. You know what it was, I told you that I was hardest. I'm emotionally scarred, that ain't even your fault. But don't listen to them haters tryna fill you here with salt.
Boy, inside this bitch, I'm just two-stepping ball on everyone. When they got a big, I ran it up, they flipped off everyone. I just got the race, I boosted up, that I'm not real son. Shooter ready, go, they ready, blaze, they hit up everyone. Every time I didn't give a shit, I still went number one. And my pockets filled with money, bitch, like fucking schmuck. Yeah, I just pulled up out of Paris, they hit Saint Laurent. Yeah, we heard you still live with your parents, you a fucking bum. No, you not been smoking no gas, you not smoking no runs. I ain't never gonna tell you twice, only gonna tell you once. Rolling, up the Miley. Rolling, in the bill, but rolling, but a Motorola for my Yola, I was selling. And you was telling, we heard you this snitch, you can ride with us, with some fellas. Everything I do be going viral. My face just like a code, they read my Bible. Bitch, you think you really rich, you just been lied to. Wow. I'm just swerving at the coupe, pussy at the block. Yeah, fucking on my thigh, made her shit the walk. When she sucking on my cock, she do that a lot. Yeah, I can't fold you out. With my tits, I just went about. Yeah, I just went a flex, but I'm not gonna crawl. Yeah, the thief in the night, but that pussy gon' call. Yeah, even though you was a hater, you still on my soul. Put up my shit on the bait, then I bustin' her, and I told her to go. Yeah, I don't be fucking with nobody, they just be sniffing that shit like it snow. They sniffing that shit like a glow. Every my finger, they be like a pole. Yeah, I better blow. I better go up, I'm about to explode. I'm about to expose you. Little summer been lighting my bro. No, I can't wear me a hole. Chill my brother, my tweet, my bird. Big body steals of the biz of the big body land, but they big better. Yeah, had to put up like a Yankee and London, my shaky, the big better. Yeah, I better slice it. I better dice it, it's not nice. Put you inside of a bag to fill it with rice, fill it with lice. I just went there with my money, then I fucked it up again, made it go thrice. Yeah, I ain't even working nobody head up, so I'm calling my phone over his ice. Hunting my diamond, they smacking the shit out of you like the motherfucking lights. I think you really been bugging me, yeah. That's some motherfucking lights. Me and my Twitter is hang. He in that knife. You thought he gon' give me the ring. She suck it all night. You thought he gon' give me the ring.
Alright, it's better results. SS break, don't rush trades, ban, risk 100%. Duncan buy and watch after winning those trades. I mean, he probably have put thick. Huh. I wish. My live accounts have been robbed.
Yeah, I just pulled up out out of Paris, then hit Saint Laurent. We heard you still live with your parents, you a fucking bum. No, you
Yo, these stupid ass fucking charts, boys.
I ain't never gonna tell you twice, only gonna tell you once. Rolling up the Miley. Rolling in the bill, but rolling. But a Motorola for my Yola, I was selling. And you was telling. We heard you was a snitch, you can't ride with us, with some feelings.
Slicky a dead man, shots from that fence brand. These days they don't give a fuck. They'll shoot where the kids playing. Judge trying to give them life to them gang signs.
My bad for being quiet, boys. Well, we are still at break even inside this trade. Man, levels of support are being held. It gets me a little bit worried. Nonetheless, I'm gonna trust the bias that I'm looking at the higher time frames. Yeah, not really anything I'm gonna do to this trade. Not really gonna touch it.
I want that brand new paddock. I bowl like A, gotta share effortless, don't give a fuck about practice. Where I'm from, yeah, on that coffee, drive too fast, we don't let them have it. Opposition wanna kill me, and I'll be damned if I let it happen. And the day I leave this earth, I'ma die with legend status. I'ma reunite with my demons. We gon' be in heaven capping. 100K on VVS, just to show I'm blessed from rapping. I keep this glizzy tuck. If they plan on necklace snatching, talk slicky a dead man. Shots from that fence brand. These days they don't give a fuck. They'll shoot where the kids playing. Judge trying to give them life to them gang signs, turn to prayer hands. I come from a dark place, I'll never be there again. Double G's on everything, Gucci my headband. Keep smoking these dead niggas, I feel like Red Man. Pouring lean up out my cup, running through these bucks for my dead friends. Capital I bought guns for the hood, heard that's what the feds said. My shoes from Germany like James Harden, you're a step on the scene. Double G's, know Margiela, Alexander McQueen. And you know that bag on me, it's at least 50 bands in them jeans. Pockets fat, my jury dancing. Diamonds flood like New Orleans. Lavish life now, live like a king. I got on now, I'm blessing my team. Told my brother I got your back. Show my niggas what loyalty mean. But this shit wasn't as easy as it seems. My homie died at 16. I remember I was up all night. Kept seeing death in my dreams. I was posted on set with them fiends. Hiding them, got the tech with the stream. Ladies tag was playing with them beans. Young nigga trying to kill everything. Touch soul in this 4 nickel ring. It's a whole lot of shots flying to get FaceTime when that Smith and West Spring. House Slicky a dead man. Shots from that fence brand. These days they don't give a fuck. They'll shoot where the kids playing. Judge trying to give them life to them gang signs, turn to prayer hands. I come from a dark place, I'll never be there again. Double G's on everything, Gucci my headband. Keep smoking these dead niggas, I feel like Red Man. Pouring lean up out my cup, running through these bucks for my dead friends. Capital I bought guns for the hood, heard that's what the feds said.
Don't blow it, man. What does that mean? Getting bored of this fucking GJ trade. Just melt already. Do something. There you go. Draco the Draco. New hourly candlestick. Drop, bitch.
I'm doing better, I can't even complain. Bought a plane, then I brought the brain. Working bad, made the big go insane. With the gang,
South Side by Lil Baby. Oh my god, that doesn't sound too good though. Don't. Boys, if we start going into drawdown, if we go into like drawdown, I'm high key just gonna fucking end the stream. This well, that's how I stay maintained, level-headed in a trade. You just, you know, smoke it out. You don't feel anything.
I put my heart on my lips. I gave it all I could give. I made it hot at the crib. I kept that fire at the crib.
I keep that fire at the crib.
I'm an old for real. I pour a four in the field. You already know what it is. I keep a pole in the wheel.
Bro, I'm gonna flow you everywhere if this trade is a win.
None of my dogs
My boy.
I don't need so no sympathy. Sipping on Hennessy got me being sideways. Everything on me dripping, you niggas can't ride with.
Now ride with the juice, then he gon' spin his chain. I done earned my stripes, now I'm trying to go give me some real rain through my third eye.
I got ton of vision. Had to open my mind, then I open the vision.
Gotta open my mind, then I open her panties.
For them to pay attention. Fuck all that plan. Now I'm grown. I put my heart in it. I had to get down with that chrome and show them niggas I'm serious. And it's like every song I'm on, I be calling my spirits. I put my Hublot on rocks. I put my Moscato on rock. One front, one say up. Shoot at an OB, shoot at a cop. Shoot at the police, shoot at your top. I made $1 million on socks. Free all my niggas who stuck in the box. Locked up and watching the clock. Locked up, they fighting with locks. Locked up, they swinging they knife. I can't be living this life. No more Bacardi, alright. I don't want Cardi, so I'ma pour Henny on ice. My vision is vivid. Told you I'm really a menace. I showed you I'm destined to get it. I be outside with the glizzy. Told that fire be tripping. I just might die how I'm living. I ain't take no bad, but I'm tripping. Niggas ain't catch me slipping. Hey, yeah. I make you laugh when you with me. Know that my swag is terrific. Ain't seen my dad in a minute, but I can't be mad, I got millions. I just put up in the limit. Thuggin', so fuck your opinion. I'm thuggin', so fuck how you feelin'. I'm calling my spirit through my third eye, cause I got ton of vision. Had to open my mind, then I open the business. Like you gotta sell your soul for them to pay attention.
Yes, sir. I will read all the messages that I have received.
I put my heart in it. I had to get down with that chrome and show them niggas I'm serious.
It's like every song I'm on, I be calling a spirit.
Racks up, pulling up in the truck, send me, keep it talk. Bad bitch, bubble butt.
Number 1.
14, high school serving bands, dropped out, now I'm rich, flexing till I'm 66.
Gagey.
Flexing 40 bands from the pop out. Hey, bulling on the block, I got my Glock out.
I like Gagey.
I just put up in a Bentley. Oh, that hatred go right to your fucking kidney. Flexing bands, Lord, nigga won't get a penny.
Number 2.
I'ma keep on running it up. I'ma keep on running it up. Fucking it up.
High key. Sean. I mean, obviously everybody loves Sean O'Malley, but Sean O'Malley showed up. Both Seans showed up. Looks like it's a Sean show for the last few days, but definitely Sean O'Malley showed up. The way Sean O'Malley stepped up and, like, I don't know. I actually was I bet on Sean O'Malley and I actually hit that bet. Just like I bet against Izzy. I bet against Israel Adesanya and I hit that bet as well. I put 150 for 600. But yeah, the way that fucking Sean O'Malley stepped up to the board and like he showed the same intensity and like his footwork was just insane, and then out of nowhere, like you know he has level, like high level striking, but to get a guy like fucking Sterling knocked out like that, man, you have to have a high level of striking. And dude, Sterling trying to defending yourself from Sterling taking you down. Sterling's a fucking all-time wrestler, brother. Like he stood up. Like I was a little scared for Sean, and after he showed no fear, I mean, he was a little scared. He looked a little nervous, but he just stepped in front of he stepped in the middle, you know, and he was like, all right, I'm gonna move around. I was just like, oh fuck. And then I don't know where you just see him like go for his game plan, and just he sleeps on it. You're just like, oh fuck, dude, this he's actually about to hype. So yeah, he's one. Oh, number one is Gagey fought with Chimaev. I am a Chimaev. Calms up, Chimaev. That guy's dangerous. There's not many people that fight with that level of intensity that he fights with. And he fights with intensity, brother. That guy is definitely nobody to play with. He definitely smashes people.
You know how the fuck we bleed, man. We get money and kill people, man. You hear me, man? We don't rob people, man.
Sean Strickland's the best to watch, dude. Who knew that the way to defeat fucking Israel Adesanya was to walk up to him square and just stay like this and just do nothing. Just walk up to him, no head movement, nothing. Just straight left, 1-2. 1-2.
Big body with your bill, boy. Ill boy, nigga need to find his chill, boy.
Yeah, shawty know I kill people. Real people from the trenches where it's real lethal. So real,
And I'm a 4-5. Let me hurt. Yeah, fall to go. I'm hungrier than a hippo. MFN how I get low. Got a new scope and it got zooms. And I'm in that Eon. Baby, I know you smell that fume. Just get down, you hear that boom. In the back of the back. And this bitch got room. Magazine got color shells. Half green, half blue. Smoking.
Top squad.
Yeah, this trade sucks.
Nigga change on the game, switch names, they come and try to hang with us. You can hang it with that shit on that snake shit, fake ass nigga, that ain't what's up.
That ain't what's up.
Nowadays, nigga change for the fame, nigga switch on that game, then come try to hang with us. He was just rich 2 years ago, not a nigga in the middle of the road on angel dust. We ain't had shit, we was on our dick, and them hoes ain't even really wanna hang with us. Niggas switch on snake shit, fake shit, hell nah, push that nigga, that ain't what's up. Nigga fucking with the crew, say he really with the shit, hell nah, we a clique full of murderers. Don't trust my nigga really creep, they slime and they will murder ya. Niggas saying anybody begging, toe taking shit, fuck nigga, but we ain't never heard of ya. You can keep all the store to yourself, fuck nigga, you ain't known that shit, we never heard of ya.
Run, we ain't heard of ya.
Fuck nigga, we ain't heard of ya. Fuck nigga, we ain't heard of ya. Click for the murder, fuck nigga, we ain't heard of ya.
I got a new bitch for the summer, they wait for the bus and they throw me right under my watching, but guess I don't know what's exactly the price, but it cost me way over 100. Bro had the drink, I had thought it was soda, I sipped it and felt like I was in a coma. I'm covered in water, I need me a floater, she sucking my dick and I don't even know her.
My guys, right? You fight, I fight, I fly, you fly. My guys, fight. If I fight, you stand, die. I try too many times, I cry too many
Nigga, watch who you play with. Before I catch a premeditated. Got a lot of niggas dead and I still see their faces. I'm a rap star, I could've been a mental patient. Hit you with the bag, you still ain't paid me. You must want a nigga come and do you like a stranger. I ain't even tripping, money older than a pager. Niggas see you shine and forget you really dangerous. They won't let you help them. They gon' make you nail them. My nigga got life, he call every day, I don't know what to tell him. I can't help my nigga. We gon' get more time than murder, they catch us with this shit we sellin'. We gotta be low. Y'all were from high school to college, we went from babies to felons, nigga. I done really survived everything these streets offer. I've been through the mud, almost gave up. I done survived everything these streets offer. I've been caged up, I done dodged them slugs.
I got a 9 hour, I got a 9 hour, I got a 9 hour flight. I got a 9 hour, I got a 9 hour flight.
Yo, GJ is not moving anywhere these last 2 days. Is getting like, we gotta start trading a new pair. We gotta have a backup, and the backup was gold. The gold flew without us. Skirt.
Boy, you back to run. Lil' Melly coming for you and he strapped up with the gun. Anaconda in your circle and you don't even know. They tryna snake you, take your money, but they claiming you broke. And where was she when a young nigga was so damn broke? And where was she when a nigga ain't had no home? Dirty matches, yeah, slash. Many pussy niggas act. Hell no, ain't no lacking. Big 0020, baby, what's breaking? Fuck boy, get acting. Pack 'em up like some motherfucking laundry. Nigga play hell no, I'm honest. These hoes gon' fuck, I'm honest. But in NCIS, St. Laurent. This bitch wanna fuck. She rollin' my drinks. I don't even smoke. You like the talk.
He told him that Tommy gun got to something for anyone.
Nowadays, nigga change for the fame, nigga switch on that game, then come try to hang with us. He was just rich 2 years ago, not a nigga in the middle of the road on angel dust. We ain't had shit, we was on our dick, and them hoes ain't even really wanna hang with us. Nigga switch on snake shit, fake shit, hell now pussy that nigga, that ain't what's up. Nigga fucking with the crew, say he really with the shit, hell now we a clique full of murderers. Don't trust my nigga really creep, they slime and they will murder ya. Nigga saying that he body bag and toe taking shit, fuck nigga, but we ain't never heard of ya. You can keep all the store to yourself, fuck nigga, you ain't known that shit, we never heard of ya. Slap, pussy J, we ain't heard of ya. Fuck nigga, we ain't heard of ya. Fuck nigga, we ain't heard of ya. Click for the murder, nigga, we ain't heard of ya.
Sorry about that. Yo, somebody ban this motherfucker. Jesus Christ. Dalavi, you still there, brother? Dalavi, I'm gonna show you two watches and I want you to tell me which one you like better. No. I just wanted your opinion because you're, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I feel like you're the guy. You're the only person that's awake right now that could give me advice. Like, those are two different watches that that I like as well. I just don't know. I want something classic, something that I could wear daily. Also, I want like a watch that has like a little bit of like significance to it, and both those watches are pretty cool, right? I mean, the one that has like diamonds on it, that one's of the year. Then the other one, it's very, very old school. Shit was probably made a while back, or unless this is one of the newer versions that were probably made like in 2005, 2008, maybe 2015. That's a big jump, but there's this style of watch was made like in 1970 or some shit. And a lot of the pieces are made with like Rolex pieces due to the fact that the owner of Rolex is also the owner of this company. And back then he didn't have two factories, so like a lot of those, that actually looks like a Rolex Day-Date. Notice it says Prince Day-Date. And the other ones, I don't know, bro. Do you know Hindenburg? I do not know Hindenburg. Jesus Christ. I was looking at Tudor watches. I could send it to you, Sentry, as well.
Your man's a crash, your partner crash, your hoe can smash. Hell yeah, yeah, yeah. So ahead of these niggas, no Matilda. Yeah, no Maybach extended, yellow sticks in there. Yeah, I know these niggas be hating on me. I mean, I well.
That's like, so the black one is the one that I was set on for a while. And then I saw the other one and I was like, dude, this is like, just throws me back to like the fucking 70s, like to the 70s styles, like the old school styles where it's just like, just class, like it's just straight class, like you know what you're getting, you see it and you know what you're getting. And the black one, high-key the black one, oh my god, I sent you the wrong black one, brother. I sent you guys both the wrong black one. Notice the black one that's on my wrist. In the photo that's on my wrist, the Lavi, notice the one that's on my wrist has the date on the top. It's that one. The one that I sent you, so the black one, the Lavi and Century, that has the date on the top, that's the correct one. There's a version that doesn't have the date on the top. It's the one with the version that has the date on the top. Very important difference there. So actually the big image, you kind of got to ignore it. It's actually this one. I'll send it to you now.
I spin it, no pinching, check my apparel. I know y'all wanna be like me, and she know I be that pussy like Ali. I promise shit, you know what it is, and I'm a blue hunters, you know I do it. And Hellcat, it came with a shooter, it came equipped, it came with a fully. You hold that gun, but when it go down, y'all niggas don't need pull it.
I don't know why it looks blue in that photo I sent you. Alright, let's look at gold. Let me look at gold real quick. Gold, Jesus, I told you not to take gold sells. Gold looks like it's gonna keep on going long. Come on, GJ. I told you guys I'm gonna get off if GJ puts me in drawdown. Holy fuck. Dude, the subtleness of those colors is lit, Delavi. Holy fuck. Yo, this is fire. Yo, this is lit, the lobby. Holy fuck. Yo. She know. Oh, thank you, SS Bricked. SS Bricked, I definitely will hit you up to do some projects, brother. Loving both. The only thing I dislike is the zoom substitute and the glass to see the date. If I have to choose, I'm team black. It's cleaner for me. Yeah, I think from the side though, it looks a little bit more exaggerated, the little zoom thing for the thing. But I totally, I'm getting a lot of team blacks and it kind of just makes me feel comfortable because that's the one I wanted. And that's the one that I'll get it of the year. Make it even better. Like this is another version, Century, of the white one. And this is another version as well. There's another version. Sent you different versions of the... Those are different versions of the white ones. I love the white one. I love the white. The white dial looks amazing. I agree. The white dial one makes it feel like, dude, the white dial just takes you back in time, Santori. It literally just takes you back in time to like to the Great Gatsby days. I feel like I'm on the goddamn Titanic. Look how classy that watch is, boys. Just fucking classy as fuck. All right, one's in the chat if you like this one. One's in the chat if you like this one. And two's in the chat if y'all like this one. Black background, by the way. This guy put 3 right away. Oh! What? Oh, Kate said 2. Jesus, my girlfriend said 2 also. This is how it looks on me. Ooh. I'll show you one again. I'll show you one with a different face. That's that one doesn't look. Is that if you were to see it from close, that face looks like it has like a texture to it. It's fucking crazy fire. Like the little texture that face has on it. This one's not white. This one's gray. The last face I showed you was white. This one's gray. It does look like the white does have like the ladies version type look, but dude, it's just such a classic. Like, look how beautiful it is. It's so classic. Ugh, so classic. After you saw 2 on me, you don't need to see the other one. So look, this is 2, but without the date on the top. Which I don't know why I'm showing this, but this is look at the top of this where the 12 is. There's no date, right? There's no date, but then out of nowhere, look how on this one that's on me, there's a date at the top. You see how it says Wednesday at the 12 hour? That's the one that I like. Has to make sure you have to make sure it has to be the one with the date. So this one has the date. Number 2 with the date, right? With the date. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna get both. One for the daily and the other one for like a classy, like when you're wearing like dress shirts and like, dude, like, even like a little Hugo Boss polo snaps. Now the next question is 38 or 41. 38 or 41. Ooh, you guys helped me make my decision. I'm excited. I'm so excited to get this fucking watch. I'm excited to get. I mean, I still haven't decided. I'm also, there's a chance I want to get a date just. Just fuck it. Just get the date just right off the bat. Because I don't like a date just.
My daughter is real love. My mama.
This is the baby right here.
It's real love.
No way that GJ's doing this to me like that, boys. Oh my god. Are we still in this trade? Yeah, I'm still in this fucking trade. It looks like a fake Rolex. It is from the guy who made Rolex made that watch. It's actually, and that one was made out of its own factory, but before that company was making the watches out of the Rolex factory. It's the same owner. Two-door. It was made a very long time ago. It's a very prestigious company. So if you did think it was a Rolex, you were on the right track.
Too many cameras on the car, no jack need to back me up. Yeah, she dropped her jaws, her ass soft like cotton balls. Can't even hold it, Draco in my hand and jump like a frog. Boy, kill yourself, you think my daughter ain't getting fed. Having that type of bang roll, that'll get a nigga scratch. Yeah, they talking about doing this and that, but you know they scared. Nigga mad, but they bankroll income ain't coming in yet. Got a long way to go, but I'm closer than ever. I should let a belt, I should let a sweater. I go through a lot, but I keep it together. I'm pulling up for 100 and better.
Reject, bitch. Oh, it's great that EU started rejecting also.
I'm styling, I'm wilding, that sticks, I ain't hiding.
My bitch, I'm hiding. Alright, boys, I'm gonna actually start ending the stream. We're in drawdown. The trade is gonna still hold. Valid stop loss, valid take profit. Yeah, boys, I'm not gonna be. What do I think of GU? I don't even want to say it. Alright, boys, that is where we get up to. Yeah, boys, I don't want to wait around too long doing nothing. The trade is probably going to go into drawdown, then go into profit, then go into drawdown. Who knows what it's going to do? But we're waiting for. I'm not sure what we're waiting for. Maybe waiting for the New York for the CAD news. Who knows? But it's been 3 hours and 9 minutes. We're 3 hours into the session. Guys, the candlesticks. This is the reason I'm getting off. I apologize, but look. I'll show you. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Since right here to right here, it's longer. All right. From here, in 1 day and 5 hours, we've moved 45 pips, boys. 45, boys. 45 motherfucking 45, maybe like 50 pips max if we include those little 2 pips right there. No, not even. It's 45 pips. And then in the last, let's say, like, dude, it's just fucked. And I need to get back on schedule. So, boys, I fucking truly appreciate everybody who's came to the stream. Hold the trade if you're still in it. Don't be afraid. Just let there's fucking no volatility, so anything's happening on the charts. Boys, much love to everybody. Truly, thank you for everybody coming to the stream. VIP, I will see you soon. I will see you guys with Miguel, or if not, before Miguel. And then when Miguel gets on, I'll just give over the stream to him. Really just depends on what happens to this trade. So VIP members, let's go to the VIP. I'll see you in the VIP chat. I'll be answering everything on Discord. And I'll catch you guys in a little bit, boys. Much love to everybody. Make sure you guys subscribe because we live stream every single day. So you guys want to check out my track record, you guys can do that in the Discord. If you guys want to check out the Discord, just go do all that stuff. So much love to everybody. I'm back, boys. I'm back, and I'll prove it to you when this trade fucking comes back from drawdown and hits. Alright, boys, much love. Peace.
Stuff 100 racks in the bag. Put your prints on the floor, man. Which one, the Rolls Royce or the Maybach? Bought my mama house that cost a plane engine.
see better days. I'm in the studio working every day. Don't play with the game, we send the shots every day. I got the green jet like Celtics. Yeah, money green should've played with Milwaukee Bucks, bitch.